Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of the bad mind, it comes up in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
Mixup and Blenda. Papa Jesus. Uno kiss out me. Wara, 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 wara. Backside, you know. How the place at? Good afternoon, people. Good afternoon, boy. A little bit of sleep I get last night. Oh, no, know why. Don't you know why? Little bit of sleep I get last night. After me did one go my good bed early and get my proper rest and thing. Because you know me, a big man thing when I get beauty sleep. Because beauty not really depend on my thing. Yeah? What a piece of pricky. What a piece of mix up. All me I say people, a Ragashanti is a mix up down. Zico, you make a good point. If the thing touch the wall, it's natural that people going to want to hear the rest of the mix up. Me not say nothing wrong with that. Me not say nothing wrong with that, you know, Zico. And Omari Owen, where you want name. Me not say nothing that talk about some bias and because of crisscross and this and that. Me not say nothing right. This is the point I am about to make. And if you not get it, me not look for you. This is the point I'm about to make. No founder don't know. The drama did reach a point where links start make to who figure do what to who. Again, the mix-up did reach a point where the parties who are involved start to find it necessary when them are fling word for one another, but what them going to do to who, and who are access them wicked links to go do what to who. People, I don't think that this take much intelligence for anybody realize that when the thing reach the point that it's time for somebody intervene and say, ratchet back the thing a little bit. The violence thing we're not in her. But Dr. Zico, the efforts I make, him interpret it, I defend cross. Right? And all me I do, I tell you, say, you don't know the whole details of the thing. I'll know Kizzy don't go into the fullness of the thing. I tell you that. And Kizzy know too. Right? When the thing reach a point there, and so forth, me intervene. I talk to both people. I say, listen now, I don't want this thing to get to the point there where the violence thing come into play. You understand? I'm talk to both people, and both people agreed that we're going to come to some kind of resolution, try to find some common ground where people can move on together. I never have no problem with people on the wall who want to hear the rest of the mix-up. I never have no problem with that. In fact, I say to both of them, I say, yo, the two on the thing, when I say a child involved, so if the thing reach a level, I want to work out on the thing by myself, because once you go up on the wall, the people are going to want to hear the rest of the mix-up. Some don't know what Zeke run up in mouth about bias, bro. So I say, yo, my advice to the two on is just work out on the thing private, and if I can't help in any way, then fine. Me nearly drop down when I turn around and I see picture I reel out left, right, and center. After I talk to the lady, and the lady say, yeah, she not going to follow up the thing. She say, yeah, she go wait, she go juke back and bill. I talk to the gentleman. Him say, yeah, him not go on the wall with the thing. Him go juke back and bill. When me look the lady reel out picture left, right, and center, as soon as I don't talk to her. My problem is not with the people in on the wall. If Mixup come on the wall, everybody go want to hear the rest. It's just that when it reach a point where people are talking about who are going to get who for going to do what to who, the thing different this so. It's no longer fun. You know, it's no longer entertainment. It's no longer joy. Right? People done me all the while when Mixup, I'm a hold it. You understand? Because we say thick skin and broad back. Again, me never have no problem with the people on the wall who want to hear the mix up. Zico, if you want to hear it, Road, if you want to hear it, fine. Everybody else want to hear it. That's how the thing go. Once it bust on the wall, people are going to want to hear it. What I said to the parties, given that there is supposedly a child involved, the two of them may want to deal with this more maturely. Because anybody who knows the pitney involved say is a lifetime of interaction that have to go on between the two people. And if you can, as best as you can start out the thing, then fine. But you don't want to do things on the internet and on Facebook now, where you're going to regret later on down, and then when you pick the group, you pick the year, say, you know, say your mother did do you this, your mother did do your father this, and your father did do your mother this. And them look at things down have to kind of look down the road, people. So I counsel the people, I'm not tell them to just bill. Because if you don't go up on the wall, the people are going to get hungry for the details of the mix. Right? I'm talk to the people, I'm agree. And when I look around, the woman was real out of back a picture. I'm not lie. I tell her, I'm not hide it. I said, no, you shouldn't go there, so. Everybody going to say, why you going to tell her? I said, you shouldn't go there, so. I buy her some one-sided and think that is not the reason why I tell her I shouldn't go there, so. Because me and her did talk. And she agreed. She said she not do it. And she flipped the script. I tell her not make nobody dry out. And she claims as another woman dry out. I tell him not make nobody dry him out and him hold it. I'm not hide and talk. Even if somebody dry out and go say something and she go put things out there. Him could have get draw out too. And me know for a fact me not hide and talk and she know. Him have a whole heap of picture with she skin out in all kind of direction. And them things that happen and him hold it. Him hold it and him have reason for put it out, people. I'm telling him, say, you know, I'm rate you. Because if any other man was somebody hacking at them account and take out picture out of them account and I done him friend them. The man I'll have a picture in there from somebody who I date from many years ago. We not talk to for years now. The woman, you know, in our profession or whatever. And I'll fear a picture go up. I'm not care nobody wants to say. I'm vexed about the innocent people in picture who go up on the wall. I'm vexed about that. I'm not hide and talk. I'm not take back them talk. You can imagine you talk to somebody. You don't even know. You did that talk to somebody. I ain't have the privacy on the thing, you know, exchange, look a picture and whatever. Because that's what people do when they're attracted to each other or whatever. Years later, that person there, who you did that talk to from before, years later. You see a picture come out on the internet. Why? Because him and somebody involved in some other person that acting on my account. So when him did that try to know, when him hears the picture them come out, him link me and say, boy, I need to protect the people. Him upset. I'm concerned. Him say, yo, the people in picture who in my account with them acting. Them are go out there and them lives are going to destroy and whatever this and that. So him try to figure out somewhere now how to protect them people. And I saw him go say to her, I said, don't put out the people in picture. Because if you put out the people in picture, I'm going to put out your one. That was done in an attempt to get her not to put out the innocent people in picture. And the other people who did involved in a passa with her. With them hacking at the man that come. I don't care nobody want to say no. Nobody on Facebook want anybody for hacking at them account and take out them private affairs. I'm going to make it public without their choice. Nobody want that. I'm say it already, I'm going to say it again. I rate him because him could have well and put out the ladies' picture them out there. Him could have well and do it. And not only him not do it, I see him send them back to her and say, you know, so I'm going to give you back these and just make you know, so I'm a big man. And I could have put out all of them there. Whatever. Right? And a proper tear out whatever picture, see everything. And him don't take it there, so. I want to say big respect to him for that. I mean, I don't talk. He said, I'm only talk about who not going to do crisscross and who have done crisscross and who have come to Jamaica. I hear that thing and I talk crisscross. I'm staff crisscross. I'm a link. Nobody now do crisscross. Nothing. I give when I give. I that me say. Nobody nah do crisscross nothing. Me I go up on record with that one day. Nobody nah do crisscross nothing. Cross, no worry yourself. The found no love going on this violence thing and whatever, and this and that and rate it. Hey. Let go them thing, them man. And again, when we talk about double standard and understand the thing, when the thing get on a level where a drama and people are talk about who are going to get which gunman if you go do all them something there. No, I don't think it take much intelligence to realize that no, somebody for put a stop to it. And I talk about a double standard. And when somebody dead now, I want to see a man come and say, then them couldn't stop it. Then the one Reggae should have stopped it from a long time before it reached. Yes, sir, look, the who gets stabbed up now and who gets shoot now. I want to see a man come out there and say that. So what me want Uno to do is to join me and get them to realize, say, them and mix up. We say the whole I we say mix up and we say reload the mix up, them boom, bang, 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 bing. But we want them to realize, say, when the thing reach that level, where the two of them are going to start roll them weight upon one another, we need to support them and encourage them to let it go and stop the hunger for the mix up so much. Again, we need to come together, tell them to build, work out them things, and stop talk about who are going to get who, if we go done, who and tab up who, and who have the link, who are where, and who are going to go over yard, and who live and all them things there. People don't even understand how that thing I get crazy, you know. Miss Lady track down the youth sister, find the youth sister, friend the youth sister, tell the youth sister she's a long last friend of the youth mother. And that she been trying to get in touch with her, sitting. The youth sister run, go get the girl, the youth mother number, then the girl contact the youth mother, then the girl say the whole of her brother and her family are get involved in and want to move to the youth. People they think deeper, that me I try to tell us that they think deep and deep and deep and deep and crazy. I'm just I say we love mix up, we love entertainment and thing. But when it get on a level, sometimes we have to just drop back some and ask for phone support. And we say we're hungry for mix up, but me I tell you, as a king of mix up, as a mix up leader, say, sometimes some things have them limit and don't look on it as a double standard. Me I talk about it for the two of them. I could just back up half of that one and allow that one, you know. Because it get crazy family involved with a brother go move to who have bad man brother, who have gunman this. It get crazy people. I mean, I don't talk, you know, who want vex, you know. You see which part crisscross wrong, I mean, I get none of detail with it, but I tell him where I'm wrong, you know. I tell him where I'm wrong. Sit down and I'm counsel him, I'm tell him where I'm wrong, and him own where I'm wrong. I'm tell him say if certain things turn out certain way, you have to step up like a man and own this, and him say, yeah, him never deny that from the get-go. The man say him just don't want a relationship and the lady upset about that. The man say if I saw with the youth, but him don't want a relationship, the lady upset about the lady and move X. And I done innocent people and family and relatives and things. The man mother and all kind of blood pressure stress the right now in New York because the lady moved to the man mother. They think deep people. And you must understand how the man upset about all the mother thing. So I'm not hide and talk, you know. All who talk about who not going to do crisscross, you know, better forget it. Because me max out right this to defend him. Me not hide and talk, me max out to defend him. Him there for my staff, I'm a link, I'm a friend, the youth I try, the youth I grow. And him not perfect, he make mistake like me, make mistake like everybody else. You understand? So all them things about who not going to done crisscross, I won't not do. That not happen, that not happen. It not happen, I ask you, no, it not happen. Crisscross, you hold it. You're the boss. Remember, you know, thick skin and broad back, I do it in a cross, a strength to say, you know.
Good, you know, we're nice, huh?
You're nice.
Good, man.
Why you hold it?
The nice one, you see it, cause you know what I mean, we know the levels now, we grow up proper, so we know boundaries and we know limits, so we just adhere
Chris
to
Cross,
it.
me not hide and talk. You could have moved like some careless dirty man. Somebody hacking at your account. That different from just mix up a real out, you know, them broke in your account.
See me?
Take out your private information and done innocent people and I expose them and show naked picture of people. You have naked picture of the person who is doing it and you stand up strong. Me rate you.
Respect, man.
Me rate you. You never get drawn out. You hold it. And you could have easily put out the picture of them see me because the person that do it here could have do it back to her.
So it's it, you know?
Big man thing. You're 22, the person soon turns 32 and whatever, and you are do the mature thing. And why I know so you have your support right, and nobody now do you nothing around here. Nobody now do you nothing around here. Oh. All right, Papa.
All well, blessed.
But you good though.
Yeah, man, me cool, man, me cool. Who for
But you know, so we have a job to do at the same time. Tens of thousands of people are listening to the show, so the work have to go on. So it's still across.
And
when problem reach... Eh?
I mean, as a personal, I just want to thank all of the people that inbox me and message me and BBM me and I say, yo, the support dead and them understand what I go on, them see the little violation. You see me, so I just want to publicly say, respect and thank them, all of them, for that. Because I wake up to hundreds of messages this morning. A bag of people.
See the Papa.
I send them blessing and them thing. And
I know I'm like with it too. You know I'm like with it too. Enough people don't know. At no point did you say, if this thing approves that you a father and other things, say you that turn back. You say you have to step up. At no point you do that. And people have spread rumor talk about this and that or whatever. What you said was you just don't want to be in a relationship. And that's how the dolly house popped down. You understand? And John and Maru will reach your mother and the canning will go on with the sister and will reach Maru for all them things they say you have to go through them things there. Because and I like say that careless up the thing. Right? I mean at the end of the day, if you go in the beer back and consequences come boom badang bang bang, you have to own the consequences, right?
yeah.
Right?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Okay. But when all kind of can reach and people are telling us that this can't happen because tubes block and who take morning after pill and you call back and ask if this man after pill take and them say yes it take and then them come and tell us say it not work and all of a sudden it look like the tubes the man block is wickedness. I'm telling us on the door know the fullness side town now running and I done the youth. I never even want to get involved in another part that I couldn't know them things. But since you now come and go like you want to come down the youth and whatever, then enough for know now. But your support there, no, Papa.
Cool, man. Respect, isn't
The
it?
support there. Don't worry yourself, the support there. But big and serious now, you know, Chris Craft. I tell you the truth. I don't hate people, you know. I don't walk around and hate people. Or whatever, this and that. So I don't eat or read and whatever, you understand?
No, and likewise with
And, right, I'm just to say, my suggestion to you and her, if you hold back, she hold back, because you know the thing we're going, who are get gunman and who for
yeah,
links,
man,
who
I
use
see it,
them
man.
links.
I know it
who-
happen, man. I know it happen.
You see it, right? And it was told to me in the first person. It was told to me is like, Chris Cross, Chris Cross don't know nobody. Me know this and that and and the person reel out them links and tell me whatever when them can get done to you. And them post and say them a come to Jamaica, come drape you and what them a go do you and whatever. It not happening. Right? So I don't want you afraid of nobody or anything or whatever. But my suggestion is just build. I love how you come out and defend yourself and provide some clarification to the data for go on. But you have some people that run off them more about bias and all them things. When I try to tell them people, the thing reach a point right now where some things may happen to some people may do some serious things right now and contacts and links and make and move a bad boy brother get involved and all kind of drama. Not to mention the people them who couple people who ring up my name long time. I'm just jump back and I laugh. I know the 100. I mean, know who did I ring up my name to and attack this and that about me, but that's a whole story what them say about me. You understand? I don't even pay them the mind with that. My boss just go and build. And you know, say, we put things in place already, so if anything get out and we can step up to certain things. You understand?
See it the proper way.
So it there, but nobody make nobody dry up. Hey, actually, you don't even know I'm rate to say I put out the picture them. Come there, I try to reach and come and say, Jesus God, I hope him never put out the picture them, you know. And boom, bad and bad, my ear say you send and say, yo, I'm not put out the picture. I rate you.
Cool on.
All right, we're going to break people and we'll come back. Because I love it Wednesday, same way, you know. Love it Wednesday, same way. Love it Wednesday, same way. I will break, we're soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, we're up in our thing, you know. You see it, and we used to mix up and blend that straight without apology. It's all about the mix up and blend entertainment. Inside, I love it. Every Softy Wednesday on the Mix Up Entertainment Show. It's a good time.
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Proper thing indeed. Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus. Then anything really can go, so. But can you believe it? Today we're in a place called Albany in Georgia. That's in the United States of America, the state of Georgia, where you find Atlanta. I'm assuming that because the last time I said Georgia, I didn't know it was a country, Georgia. And I, of course, assumed it was a state. But let's hope it's a state this time. Albany, Georgia in the United States. Woman accused in child support scam. But can you believe it today? I have chosen woman accused in child support scam. Let's read a mix-up. Police say a Georgia woman used a friend's baby to collect more than US $1,600 in child support from an ex-boyfriend after she convinced him the child was his. Let's read the opening paragraph one more time to make sure that we obtain context of this mix-up. Police say a Georgia woman used a friend's baby to collect more than US $1,600 in child support from an ex-boyfriend after she convinced him the child was his. The police says Regina Thompson's ex-boyfriend paid the money over 2 years. The ex-boyfriend even had pictures made at the girl's birthday party. The 38-year-old woman has been charged with 5 counts of theft. Police say she was keeping her friend's child when she concocted the scheme. The girl's mother, Lastraga McLeod, didn't know anything about the plot. Police say it began to unravel when the girl, now 5, began to talk more and told Thompson's ex-boyfriend, Joseph Golden, that he wasn't her father. The woman accused did not immediately return a phone call seeking comment. So I go on and say in a patwa. A woman to come look after her picnic here. When the woman come and look after the picnic, the woman who look after the picnic can contact her ex-man and say, yo, me did breed a picnic for you now, you're a baby this. The ex-man him go own up the thing. I'll send picture give him and so say, yeah, picnic this. So for 2 years, the ex-man step up like a real man and I mind the picnic for 2 years. Lo and behold, the picnic start talk around 5 and one day the picnic go tell the man, no, you're not my papa. I know you are my daddy. How are you? I know you are my daddy. And when they check it out, I saw the mix-up set up and thing. Well, this, can you believe it, demonstrates unequivocally that a woman's mind can be very interesting at times when it comes to picnic. I'm just saying, okay. That, we don't even not discuss it today, We're not discussing it, can you believe it? That was... know says I love it every Wednesday. I'm up in I Mixup Entertainment sitting with the on the techie back Mixup same way. So I'm create the email them, you know. First email. Raga big up to the girl we meet foreign white man on Facebook. And him come to Jamaica for the first time. And she breed for him. She don't even know him last name or him phone number. She have to send message on Facebook to tell him say she breed. The man respond back in a message and tell her him don't know her. And then block her from him Facebook page. Now she a try find a man who kind of look white out here for sort her out. So she can give the picnic to. Raga, I will update you. Yo, with that. Well, up to this day, we can't understand how a woman can sleep with all that man and don't even know the man last day. And people, anyway, you talk to the nurse, them down on the maternity ward, them in the hospital, them can give story upon story along them lines. I don't understand how a lady can dash out her sitting against a man and don't know the man last name. You understand? Only know him nickname. And as one woman said, I did afraid for asking him last name because I'm a shutter. Man! Next email. Ragamuan, you pick up the dirty girl from Islington, St. Mary, who give the JPS cutterman sort out for not cut off her light and lock out her 4-year-old daughter. When the daughter out there ball for go in the house, she tell her, say, the man a cut down the light. And if she come in there, it a go shock her. Papa Jesus. Wanna hear that, man, people? The JPS man apparently come for lock off the light and the woman just send her a sort out. For him to lock off the light. And while she send her the sort out, she lock out her 4-year-old daughter outside so she can't do the things. And when the daughter bad, she said, no, baby, you can't come in there, the man and lock off the light and it will shock you. And that is a lie. Because the man not only never did a lock off the light, he did a turn on for her light and him did a shock she the mama. Mad. Next email. Afternoon, Raga. I want you to big up my boss where every year him take back him New Year's resolution to stop swiping my co-worker. Raga, every year him tell her, say, I'm going to stop fooling around with her and keep it strictly professional. For 2 years now, I'm try to stop. Some girls say them have the good sort out. But my friend say, as she have the legendary sort out, it will forever live on. Raga, can you tell? Oh, me think of the boss name she called. She referred to somebody in Nationwide News Network. Okay. Somebody just emailing something, so I'm about to read it to a certain staff member in Nationwide News Network. And it is as follows. Raga, can you tell Mr. George Davis that he has a secret admirer? Raga, I think he's so hot. Loved him since he attended UTech. Mad! George, in a year walk one. Make I read it again. Raga, can you tell Mr. George Davis that he has a secret admirer? Raga, I think he's so hot. Loved him since he attended UTech. George, you have somebody I watch you from the day UTech, you know, and still I watch you. This lady, though, he's a married man, you know, I bring picnic one day and something, you know. All right. Mm-hmm. Anyway, next email. Braga, big up. Whoop. We say we code thing them where me and Ruth work out so that when me I read the email, I must be alert. So make me preview this before. You know, I'm not call the DJ name, so I'm going to code it up. I'm not call the DJ name, so I'm going to code it. Big up. Then put the name, so I go and say the DJ who was at Rebel Salute with a brown girl with curly hair. And then they write some other thing, but I read the rest of that. Now read the rest of that. But anyway, we got the DJ with the Rebel Salute with a brown girl with curly hair. And I said he mix up of the artist. Next email. Rag, I'm in a business where nobody want to say. A freakiness, me say. Rag, I'm in a business if my man want to wear my G-string. It's very entertaining. Entertainment, me say. You see? See a woman a write in and I say she don't have no problem if our man wear our G-string. Because we've been going over the G-string drama from what dear. And the woman call in and say she come home, come catch her man and wear her G-string. In a G-string with socks and slippers. A beer precker come out of it. People are give them different side of the story. This woman has said a straight freakiness. She said if her man want to wear a G-string, she has no problem with it. Next email. Good afternoon, Raga. I just want to say enough love and respect to you and the Mixup family. I love your show ever since I heard it for the first time in 2009 whilst in Jamaica. Whilst. And I hear somebody use that word they generally tend to have a pretty good command of the English language. Whilst. Anyway, continuing with the email. Keep doing what you do by entertaining and enlightening us with the controversial issues that face us with everyday's mix-up. Enough love from Baby Sweetness, live and direct from London, England. 1 second. Still getting over my cold. Flu, I should say. Next email. Raga, I know this girl who live in our community. But did I talk to this boy? And after 2 Saturdays, the boy give her a fan, comforter, and some other things. And when them left, the dirty boy want to build war for the things them. And she have to give him back. Tell me if she no fool. Oh yes, she have to give back her fan, her comforter, and the other things them and whatever because drama mash up. And man want back in things. And him say take it back. Next email, big up to the man who after him girlfriend left him. Him use a hand card for transport the pig, goat, and the pots and pans them him did buy her. The girl never do nothing about go in yard one night and take back the goat when him asleep. Papa Jesus. I won't put my tambourine. Okay, it's over there, so I soon go feed. Yo, you hear that one? A man get woman pig and goat and pots and pan, and when him and her mash up, the man come with a hand cart, take back him pig, take back him goat, and him pots and pan. Then go imagine how that the nice when him a leave. You hear the pot in the pan, clunk, 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 clunk. They pick the pan, oink, oink, and the goat the pan. How close is them, man? I don't think nobody's supposed to take back animal. But big and serious, we don't know the supermodel. When name your man, the one where do Ralph Lauren. I know Tyrese. When name man, why one and you know I want them and where woman them where they did Tony Braxton video and all them stuff. The one where the woman then love her fan. What a man go for a fan mark. You know them and put it up right away. The black youth man. The black youth dance. Oh,
him name Tyson Beckford.
Him see him one. Emily.
Yeah.
You know same did there with one girl and give her one dog, right?
Mm-hmm.
And after I left the girl, he see the girl I walk with her new man with the dog.
Yeah.
You know, so Tyson Beckford promptly take back in dog, right? That's all. I really think me I tell you, you know. What you think about that?
And it might sound weird, but I don't see nothing wrong with that. Go see how the man that prims up the dog. The dog will get her to come for the man.
If him see the man a hype with the dog,
yeah,
a different thing.
Yeah, because remember I say all the girl a shop and him a hold up the dog like I did him gear. After me rag him.
And people look at him and I say, what a good man.
Yeah. And you know females love a man love men with, you know, pets and whatever. Yeah. Would I take it back?
So you not take back the dog?
Yeah.
Miss L.A., you have mistake it back.
No, but that's a dog. I love dogs, so, you know.
No, but I'm just saying, I don't think people should take back animals.
But I don't think people should own up animals that don't belong to them.
No, but when the woman comes in a relationship, she don't even know about you. She just knows that that's the man dog. And she can treat the man dog good.
No business. Me no business.
All right, that's the word. Next email. Hello, Raga. It is very sad to see what is going on the fan wall. I mean, your wall has done so much. It has brought people together, and now it's breaking everyone apart. Honestly speaking, for myself, I didn't know it would have went that far. I'm currently in a relationship with someone from the wall, and we are very private with our lives, so it works out perfectly. And even though I trust him, this whole thing just makes me want to end the relationship in fear of this happening. I hope you can do some damage control ASAP, as soon as possible. Thank you. Next email, Raga, big up to the dirty MP that came to my office to conduct business with my boss. And him see me on the stairs and him slip me in business card. Raga, when I call the number, the man say him want meet me downtown Montego Bay. Raga, the man tell me say him want give me a swipe. And the man tell me say him want give me a swipe and no sort out, no depth on mine. Me say, Raga, me decide to try the man. And it shot. Raga, the man a professional. I must say him make the ATM because him know how to fully utilize every option. Whoa. So, all right, big up the MP. Big up the MP over the West. Who have extremely talented oral, abilities. What do you think, Papa?
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the team them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in Nice Sitting. It's all about the Mixup and Blenda Entertainment right here. So with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti, the principal, Miss Cherwash Belly, me there, all class members present. I could see if some people present. Fan Wall, are you present? AC Wall, are you present? Yeah. All I'ma get the fabulous Jamaican people on the present. Yeah. All of my uptown listeners, them on the present. Yeah. All who are listening to Ragashanti show and listen, forget material for send, go get the broadcasting commission on the present. Yeah, we're not always present. All who the broadcasting commission said for listen my show for monetize, especially on a present. Yeah, we're not always present too. All of the good so live good people them who take care of people and walk on bad mind nobody and walk and tell one bag of lie because God in your heart and you turn up strong for prosperity and goodness to everybody on a present. Yeah. All of the man them who hate Ragashanti and burn out Ragashanti but who not listen to the show right now. On a present? Yeah. Okay. Everybody is here. Class time. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. School bell a ring. Mix up time for rinse the same thing. Here we go. Take you back, mix up for any other sample, mix up on haven't want to call in and rinse out the things. Them do remember you can't call nobody name, nor can you use information that will allow us to readily and easily identify to the person you're speaking of. And if you call in and we hear any radio in the background, whether your radio or not or whatever, or TV, or we hear too much of the conversation from people in the background, we're going to cut you off. Because we are supposed to do that. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Hello, I'm have a mix-up to you. First time call a long time listener.
Senator, the baby box me, I'm what's sitting at with it. Oh.
Raga, I'm going to tell you about a bit. I told the girl I get buckle up and put one side and yellow people on the buckle. Raga, I got to take my man. My man come to me long time and she come but she want to take my man.
Yeah.
And she can show me how to take my man. Them girl can't take my man, Raga. Them girl want some clothes. The same clothes them girl put on Christmas Day and Boxing Day. It's me see again Christmas. Them girl need some clothes. Them girl
no, well on. You said the same clothes she put on Christmas Day and Boxing Day. It's just here now. What you mean New Year's?
It me see her in a New Year's and Sunday we're gone.
And Sunday we are gone. Okay, so she still have wear a look at holiday at outfit, don't?
Yeah, she come like the lady in the one white frock.
Well on there. Don't hang up there. Just give me 1 second, car. My tambourine over here, so I'm going to pick it up. Don't move. All right, you know, well, all right.
I love when you keep a tambourine close, because these things not to talk up.
Yeah, talk up the things them, baby. Rinse out the things them. Because the government not there for your tongue. This man not putting a license for your tongue. Rinse out, baby. Just make sure say you say anything you say. You can't say on radio and not get you in a trouble here.
Of course, I know all your shows here. I know all the card things. I earth up, yeah, look up. Start up here, earth and then look up feelings.
Yeah, talk. No, baby, talk.
Rather, I'm going to tell you, when girls finish, run down on his head and shit like a backliner. Like a backliner, be dead. Then
you see it?
Talk to me. Then, rather than get a music like a back on a shelf.
But, well, let me ask you something.
Clothes.
No, but let me ask you something. How you know she'll take your man? How you know she'll take your man?
Rather, I know. That you should have sent to one of our friends, no? You should have sent to one of our friends if me not for old man. So you show me out for old man. Then girl can't old man. Because guess what? If you show me out for old man, by she get to the day back and kick up, that never work. My man never back and kick up. Every time she get a back and kick up. She come like football. She come like jacks. Every Lego jack is a boom, so after 3 jacks to reach.
Then tell me something. Who a box and kick her up?
The man.
Your man, were you there with that in my box and kick her up?
Yes, straight in back and kick her up. She not start get back and kick up. Rather. Them,
yeah.
I'm going to tell her, when girl want to go take my man, so boom the fence, so when she finish, she run and boom back the fence and drop on her face, and both up the whole eyes.
So she hide and thief your man, but tell me something. You ever talk to your man about the problem?
Of course, I'm going to talk about it and say, he just want her, it's just I want to start out, and that is, rather she a cousin start out.
Shower?
She a cousin start out, rather.
Oh, cousin start out.
Yes.
Okay.
She used to talk to the cousin as soon as the cousin got a friend, she jump on my man. With him cousin again and start out. So we call her cousin start out.
Oh, same. So it sounds to me like your man a blaze it up every now and then though, right?
He said stop blaze it up because, you know, right there when already, it's coming like, she thinks she not ready.
No. Okay, careful. Why I'm saying that smell right?
No, it not smell right. Rather them girls, all them father start out her. From she 12, she get start out. All her father start out from she 12, rather.
What you mean her father start her out when she 12? You sure about that?
Yeah, I like things I tell about because I want to know about that girl. Her father start out from she 12. Rather, she start out man in a lane. She'll start out man in a scheme, and she'll go back to the supermarket and start out man too. She come like everywhere she goes to start out.
Okay, then tell me something. When time them did find out her father start out when she 12, anybody did try to help her?
Nobody, I don't know if nobody tried to help her because she look like she did like it because she love start out. And you say who that she ready?
No, man, but when I pick me at 12-year-old, I don't question whether them like it or not. Is that, you know, something happened to her, and when them things happen to you at 12-year-old, you know, you don't know how to relate to it, you know. And a lot of children, a lot of young girls who are sexually abused at them age, them end up being promiscuous. Them end up a dash it out regular because it make them feel good and all kind of self-esteem and value issues attached to it. So, obviously, if she was abused at 12-year-old, probably you shouldn't even appear on her, man. Probably you should have sorry for her right now and see if you can get some help for her. How old she is right now?
Rather, I don't even know how old she is, but rather, I'm going to tell her something. She not live nowhere. She catch her friend yard. Her friend yard she catch her right now. She not live nowhere. She not have no clothes for herself. A be able to borrow her friend clothes, rather. Be able to borrow her friend clothes.
So you're sure she walk and I say you don't know if it's start out here, man?
Of course. Rather, I was to tell her friend and I said, come back, come tell me. So I don't tell her to anytime I see her, I'm going to lean up her chassis.
Anytime you see her, you're going to lean up her chassis?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Then you want to say how she see it. She look like she born big like a pig.
Okay. But all right. Respect for the mix-up, but nobody take the thing in high violence here and sitting and talk to your man about it because of your man if you talk to another woman here.
Yes, Raga.
All
But
right,
Raga,
bless.
one thing, do I have one more thing to say about her, Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, she needs to understand herself. And when she has spent all these days, she forgot go home, go learn to spell, and she forgot find somewhere to go live. She needs to stop catching people yard. Because the woman, the seen that situation she live with, a quote more, the situation she live with, the woman is retired. She don't know where she will pick her up for. Because everywhere she goes, she hears, she just start with somebody. And she wants to find a way to get rid of her because she's tired. Because she doesn't want to start with everybody. She's afraid to start with her husband.
Now say a word, man. Blessings and respect here.
Big up yourself, brother.
All right, man. Protection. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes?
Yes, Raga. First time caller, long time listener.
All
Raga,
right.
you see the G-string thing?
Yeah.
It can be really now because it happened to me a couple of years back. I was living at the house and I was the only female in the building. And I was three G-string panty. And
Right.
hang it out and leave go work. I was on 10 to 6 shift. And when I come
Right.
home the morning, I noticed one of my G-string panty gone. And I asked the guy what that was living on the other outside of the house, if any female come in the house. Last night before when I gone to work or early this morning before I come, him said no. Him said, what is it? I'm going to tell him. Him said, mine is, he call a guy named that was living next door. He said,
Right.
mine is him take the panty. I said, so why him would take it? He said, because him like me. I said, so how him would get it on the window lock? He said to me, say, he would shove a little piece of wire through this. I said, don't tell me no foolishness. And trust me, no Raga. I start dream about my panty and sit in some kind of position like when woman mess up on amount time and thing. And trust me,
careful.
about 2 months after that, me see, me going in my room door open, me never gone work. And I just go in there, just curious, and I go in there, and as I enter the door, I nearly black out, I see my panty, pan a belt hanger. See him like how my dream see it, spot up on them thing there. And he was a gay boy.
He was a gay youth, a thief your panty.
And I confront him about it, and I say, you know, so you're wicked.
No, but me not understand. Why would a homosexual thief your panty? Me not understand.
Yes, man, him and the woman, him muggling it.
Oh, him thief your panty for wear it and act like woman.
Go take man, yeah. I'm say,
So,
you know, so wicked. Imagine you know, say, you take me something and you have me and I tell me this and I tell me that and all them something there. And
Well on. The one where I tell you them things about the boy who him say like other one that did actually I take it.
I him take it.
The one where I tell you say I must the boy who like you take it and whenever all the time I him I take your panty them, don't you?
Yes.
And you feel say him did I take your panty and wear them I go catch man when I right, don't it?
Yeah.
Papa Jesus, that's where the backside is. Whoa! The man a thief your panty them for go catch other man with your panty.
And you don't know the funny thing about it. He work in a sugar industry.
What?
He work in a sugar industry.
They're not sweet and sweet, man. They're not sweet, he must think he's sweet.
You say him go take him, man. He start from, say, Thursday night. And trust me, not him sleep straight for 3 days, straight and 3 nights. He can't move. He look like them coke him out. So me, as a young little girl now, me go work and tell a big woman that works same place. And she said, come here, pick me, girl, let me talk to you. She said, you see them type of people there, them don't really like when people find out that them live in that lifestyle. She said, let me give you a advice. Move from that house. And trust me, Raga, move from there and I don't look back there.
Okay, but tell me something. All right, you know you're the pan radio and you have to be careful, right?
Yeah.
When you say you see a panty with what you say, you see like some.
Yeah, man, the woman something like when woman would have a one time in night. Frightened.
But I never saw you leave your panty.
No, man, no, you know wear them things there with when them the panty are special.
So when you say you dream see your when you miss your panty, like you dream see your panty, so no.
Yeah.
And when you go in there see him.
I see him where me see it.
So that substance where woman would have upon it, you never left that pan it?
No, man, me don't know where that when me have them the time there. Me have special
so
one
when
them the time.
You have special one? Okay, we are, see, because every woman have period panty, we know that.
Mm-hmm.
And then, And a G-string.
Yeah, man.
Where the backside at them? That them it's a nastiness.
Trust me, Raga. Me, witness, and me making father know saying gay when after me teeth my panty. And me a dig up because me curious and me a dream seat and me a dream seat. And me say, but he can't there for a month. He saw it there. He near there. And when me book up on some brief female see man, I frightened. Me say, I frightened.
No more. Now, well, him obviously have some problems that he needs to address very quickly with the appropriate medical professional.
Yeah, me better you ask me to buy one for you. But he put pop in my mouth in a Raga when he talk about say, me go for the weekend, and he said to me, say, but they wash some clothes before me leave. And he said to me, say, I take up your clothes, you know. Me say, what? You take up my clothes and me panty them to him, say, yes. But I want to ask you something. Me say, what that? Me say, ask me now. You see, to me just come in. Me no want nobody. Me don't know why I'm not suspense. Me say, ask me no. He said, no, man. Me say, no, ask me no. Yeah, no, I take up something off the line for you and I like it. Me say, what that? Me brassiere, no. Me say, panty, no. Me say, slip, no. Me say, come show me how, come. When the boy go show me no Raga, no one gurgle. Me gurgle.
Him like a gurgle. Yes. When the woman watch it, him like a gurgle.
Yes. Yes, and the reason why me have to wear it, you see, the place where me that work, when me start to work, when me do the interview, it's definite say, are you now pregnant? And me did know say me pregnant. And me couldn't tell them say me pregnant because I couldn't get the job. And me start, and me say no, and me start, and me get 2 girls on my way, them and band down my belly. And that me did do.
But
and you talk about it like girl.
Well, you know, it's a dangerous thing to the picnic when on a band on a belly, don't you?
Know that my daughter, she's pretty and nice, though. She wear nice weight when she born. But guess what?
All right, so in other words, you never ban your belly long then. You just ban your belly for the interview.
No, me ban it while going to work for a little while. But guess what? It stopped me up. When me go on the Christmas holiday, me never ban it in the yard. So when me go back to work January, it couldn't ban the big everybody see. I did get the maternity leave and everything. But
you still get your maternity leave?
Yeah.
Why some things don't have to go through as a woman for survive the
and thing and this, you know? Man, this daddy in America, 14 years and they beat me at 15 and him not look after them.
And the daddy not look after them?
No.
Okay.
No.
Then tell me something, if this youth did actually come up to you and say, you know, I want you buy 2 G-string for me, you'd have buy it for
you? Yeah, man, straight. I'd buy it for you.
You'd have buy it for you?
Yeah.
Because I know body what you're there with and you know say about that. We can't talk.
Okay.
No, we can't talk about.
To go and phone in my room with it. If me not lock the door.
Well, just leave that. Just we could just leave it right as I say. You feed them, you say teeth, you pad them too. But we're not touch. We're not go there, sir. We're not go there.
Me say all right, you never see sitting them in white sitting them. You don't say sitting different. Now when you show the guys them next door, my friend them. And them call up them son and say, me tell you something, don't go over the yard there, you know.
Oh.
Don't go over
there. Okay. All right.
Then I know there with him. Big doctor.
And big doctor start him out too?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you know, we don't deal with addresses here. We just just tell with the town. Just tell with the town. Portmore, all right. And big doctor there with him too. All right. Let's say a word here.
Aye.
Bless up. Backside, you know. All right, here we go to the phone lines again. Take it back, mix up or any other sample mix up. Take it back, mix up or any other sample mix up. Jermaine, watch the levels, because I do some tweaking. I watch the levels, make sure so the people hear me nice and warm and think because I go like me an engineer over here. You understand? Here we go to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Whoa.
Yeah. Congratulations for the trip to your relief across the world, a matter of fact, you know. But
all right.
Chris Cross, you hear me?
Yeah, man, Chris Cross, I might hear you.
All right. You have a picture of the woman?
No,
You should keep on a picture of one, you know. Because sometimes you don't have to deal with certain things certain way, you know. Make the whole world know what you deal with. Sometimes you deal with some people some way and set them up fix differently, you know.
No, but me rate him say him never.
Yeah. No, man, no. Me not go down the road. Me rate him for that. Because me don't do that.
Right,
But sometimes
right.
when people talk about them, go take gunman, gun this. And a gunman, I'm one way to young dog, you know, Papa.
No, man, hold on. Oh, yeah, bossy. We deal with that part. And I say a word. We're not giving nobody ammunition for running pan with thing over here. You know the wicked, dirty people.
Right.
You know the level.
Holy faith.
But now what, yo. Yeah.
Holy faith. Do what I have to do. I mean, know you do what I have to do. We there for back.
Yeah.
Anything at any time. Link can make.
All
right?
All right, Papa. No say a word, man. Manners. All right, here we go to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Greetings.
Yes, Father, good afternoon. I don't have a
Yeah,
mix-up, but I just want to voice my opinion. I want to say, in this country, the idea of the government that have some people work with them, and they're just going around set some trap. And if the trap don't damage somebody, they don't rectify it. I just want to say condolence to the people, to the family in Manchester who have lost those 2 kids. No, this is not the show for it, but it's everybody's show. Your show is everybody's show. Right?
All right.
I just want to give my heart to them because I have 2 kids, and if I should lose them that way, I don't know what it would be. So I just want to play, asking you to play one song for them for me, please.
Family will lose 2 youth?
Oh, yeah. The 2 kids that drowned in Manchester on Saturday. Because
the two kids that drowned in Manchester on Saturday.
Yeah, man, because of the hole that they dug up to store water. And they were recovered from 2 months ago.
Who dig up the hole? Who dig up the hole?
From the roadworks people, them.
The national...
Yeah, they dug up some wood to lead the water off the road. Just catching that soak away pit.
Okay, so them dig up one hole and thing, and what them do? Them left the hole unsecure and thing.
Uncovered, yeah.
Uncovered. And then what happened to the 2 pitting them? What happened to the 2 pitting them?
They were playing and one slipping it. And they had a brother jumping it to save the smaller one at the boat drowned. So I'm say,
how old were they? How old were they?
9 and 12. And it's very sad for that mother to lose her only 2 kids just like that.
It's 2 boys? 2 boys?
Yeah.
So let me follow you now. You're saying, what you name the National Works Commission or something like so it name?
Yeah.
Them a fix road and you say them dig a big hole in order to do something to make water run up. That is right?
And you heard the rainfall?
The rainfall and the hole full up and thing, and them never put the appropriate security measures around it so that you don't have this. Hold on, so that you don't, 1, you don't have people that get accident tonight, and 2, you don't have picnic and drop night. The 2 picnic them a play, 9-year-old and 12-year-old brothers, 1 drop in, the next brother jump in if he's saving brother, and the 2 look a picnic them dead.
Right,
Jesus
God will take care of you for me, for them.
No, listen to me, darling. Listen to me. Yeah, listen to me.
Yeah.
Listen to me. You see, in the United States, you see, when you're approaching like construction or something, you see, from about 3 or 4 miles before, you see one sign say, construction ahead 4 miles.
No, but
you see, when you reach, hold on, listen me up, man. You see, when you reach 3 miles, construction ahead 3 miles. When you reach 2 miles, construction ahead 2 miles. The road is rough, road is great. Drive carefully, reduce speed. And you see a whole heap of orange. You see, by the time you reach which part the thing there when nobody know that, you don't get 20 million warning already. You know, so when the highway did a fix, on the North Coast, when I tell me I drive on pretty road, pretty road at the night, me say me find a piece of brakes, quick. My vehicle drop right at the edge of the road. Me have to come out and tell any up minute I go over and I want to look a precipice and go dead. Not even one sign it up there so tell me say one precipice the right there, so you have to find it. Anybody who drive on the road don't know that. The government must do better. The National Works Commission must do better. Because see, the people are dead.
Yeah, that's why you cheer them up so much. You make people laugh, right?
Yes, darling, but why no, sir? Me can't imagine why them that the woman that the papa supposed to go through.
Only 2 children.
Only 2 children and the 2 of them dead, so.
And the 2 of them dead one time, just like
then
that.
dead in a hole where dig for fix place and people just left it on the 2 pin and them go drop in it full of water and thing. Them need for do better. Bruce Goling, them need for do better. Portia Simpson, them need for do better. I will respond to transportation. I went near Mike Henry. Mike Henry, them need for do better. And roadworks people, them need for do better. When you can't have them look at thing, they set up all about the road and thing where people are going to lose them life, them where they can't run off a road, pick their job in a hole full of water and a dead. Backside, man, at 2011 now. Awa.
I got another thing I just want to say. That's why you load up the people them like it, have a little business, and the people them will love trust and hide. You know,
the people them watch us and hide.
And them that come back pay.
Darling, a long time that I go on to Jamaica, so you have to just know
that
I
go on.
No, you cannot call no name. You're mad. You don't know the show run. You know you cannot call any name. We say you cannot call no name. Argument done right there, so. But listen, the owners is on the shopkeeper. They know who is who. Right.
The 3 sisters them from Gregory Park.
The 3 sisters them from. Then I saw you for doing man code up the thing. Yeah, the 3 sisters them from Gregory Park. We are trust on the eye. Papa Jesus. The 3 sisters them from Gregory Park. We are trust on the hide. I want to some girl go like them a hot girl and them a fear hide from shopkeeper. And a thief clothes on the hide. Papa Jesus. You understand? Some girl I put on the clothes and on the feed them. Anyway, take care of yourself here. Backside and up. Why? No, that little thing that burned me about the 2 people them were dead, man.
Yeah,
and if you really... Yeah?
No, and apparently, when my hair is like, say, 1 drop, and the next one I try to take him out. And then
that the lady say?
Yeah,
man, the lady say, man, him jump in if you see the other one, and I saw him go dead too.
Yeah, and
all that the mother know, she feel some pain. She feel some pain in her belly and nobody can understand it, you know. Nobody, you see, she had 10 years from now, you know, she got just broke down and I cry just so, you know. That's how them things are going on. Why, Miss Lady, turn up strong. Turn up strong, yeah. Turn up strong. We're going to break. We're soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the team.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our setness. I don't know, shall we say mix up entertainment, proper mix up indeed. Take it back, mix up with it, and any mix up involving somebody who is sitting and take it back, who want to call in and give it a drama, what's up around the incident, we want to know about involving them type of sitting there. You understand? If you have an uncle where you sitting and take it back, auntie where you want to sit and take it back, or give somebody else sitting and take it back. Right? Brother or sister where you sitting and take it back, give it a drama about it. Cousin where you sitting and take it back. Man where you're there with where you sitting and take it back. Woman where you sitting and take it back. You understand? Papa where you sitting and take it back. Mama where you sitting and take it back. And sitting and calling pastor, police, or anybody, or politician who you know get sitting and take it back. Calling and give it the ray. Calling and give it the bay. You understand? How we used to mix up entertainment up in a little show and thing. Our motto, laugh, learn, and grow. That is our motto. Laugh, learn, and grow. And as we go through that process, the other motto must be kept in mind. A thick skin and broad back and do it. We don't like complainers, you know. If he treats you, you either fight back, done somebody, or shut up. We don't like complainers. But anyway, here we go to the 4 lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Greetings.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, man. Talk up. Can't hear you good.
All right. You hear me?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Talk at that volume there. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I have something more to ask you. Before I come on, so if I something, so I just want to know what that's for.
What that?
The father come on, so if I something. And
the father Your father come home with a whole heap of aisle something.
Yeah.
How them look? What them in?
Them in a buckle and stuff.
The buckle them clear?
Yeah.
What?
And
All right.
them write out like one of them say something about money.
One say something about money.
Yeah.
Like what it's about money?
Money drawer, DRSDR.
Okay. And what the other buckle them say?
One of them I want ear freshener something. He say something about he have several African something like. One of them some about lotion. And something I remember them.
But I know regular lotion and something them are some special buckle them in
No, it's about African this and something.
Okay. And your father start use them yet? Well, what the color of the things them? Any of them are red?
No red. But like
what the color?
Green.
Green? And what?
Hungry green one, remember. One of them have this color. I don't know, it's kind of dark like. Like one dark green color. And so I must take up everything off the floor, and I go white out. And then take out everything out of the force. And white out and everything. Wipe off food, top everything.
Hey. So him wipe off everything, but when him use water and soap when him use them things there.
Him use the things them.
Okay, so him use the things them and I wipe down the house and sitting them and sitting the whole heap of highlight things them went by.
Yes,
okay.
Yeah. I ask him what all of that stuff. Him say a new year now, so yeah.
Okay. Alright. I'm going to attempt to tell you what is. I'm going to attempt to tell you what is. Alright, I'm going to attempt to tell you what is going on. Alright. It's not necessarily the case that your father doing anything bad here. In fact, I don't think your father doing anything bad. But it based on an old time belief in Jamaica that when you have New Year, you must make some changes in your house in order for welcoming new prosperity. And some people just keep it simple like them.
One part in the Bible to read one verse.
You get the Bible for read one verse?
Yes.
So after the whole heap of wiping go on, you have to read the Bible. Before.
Yes.
Oh yes, before. So you read the Bible. Was it a psalm?
Yes, Psalm. I don't remember, but it's like it says, God should protect me from the wicked and whatever.
Alright. What your father is doing is what many Jamaicans believe for a long time gone here. Say that when New Year come, you need to go through a bossy word in the music. It's called rituals. That you need to go through some rituals to clear out the crosses them from last year and welcome in some God bless prosperity and newness, okay?
Yeah.
So your father is not necessarily a bad person. He just have these old time traditional beliefs. Now, at some drugstore across Jamaica, like downtown and some other place, they sell these things that they say help people to clear out the crosses and the destruction and the bad blessing and the evil spirit and all them something. Do you understand?
Okay, so you don't have nothing to do with Obia?
No. It might be that people think say, yes, man, it's not necessarily like your father working Obia here. Some people misunderstand.
No, it's not that he's not working. I wonder if he's like Obia man.
Okay. No, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know where your father get the island from. It could have gotten them from an Obia man or an Obia woman. But the most important thing I want you to realize is that from what you described to me, your father's intention is not to do bad things to anybody. You understand?
Yeah.
Your father's intention, him have his own traditional beliefs, but his intention here is to protect himself, his family, and his home from bad things happening to Uno. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Because enough time people talk about Obia, them talk about Obia in the context where somebody are going to do something bad to somebody. But what you explained, I don't know where your father get it from, because sometimes you get these things from Obia man or Obia woman. But it's not much that. Him can probably get it from him church.
If a store, instead of a store.
Yes, well, I true, him I tell the truth then, man. It's sell a farmers, it's selling at the farmers to them. You have what we call ghetto pharmacy. Them things that's common in a ghetto pharmacy now and country pharmacy all over Jamaica. Anybody you can just walk in and buy it off of the shelf. Some of them I feel get good luck. Some of them I feel get good man. Some of them I feel fall in love and thing. And people believe them thing. That some people don't believe in it and thing. But you know them sell them. Enough of them come from Africa. But them all over in the pharmacy. Them in a Jamaica. All I know. We can't carry go several pharmacies and show them. But the important thing is that you must know is that your father not throw oil and not rub down oil for do bad things to people. In a fee mind, him a ward of evil spirit, and him a use him Bible do it too, and him a use him Psalm, and him just having look at something them and thing. And people love it. You see, through your father might be a look humble man. People love to say like this a obia, but you must know, like if you go in at the Catholic church, them use a whole heap of oil and smoke and all them things that too, but nobody no call that obia. But at the same thing them a do, and them a read for them Bible, and I rub up in whole heap of oil and frankincense and myrrh, and then they sit there and think. Okay. But as then see, I get the people rub up with look at olive oil and this and that. People want to condemn them. I don't think your father is being a bad person. Him just have him old time beliefs where him have and him still a practice them for the new year. But I don't think your father is a wicked obia man or a wicked person who a go to obia man. Here?
Okay, that's somebody who can be feel afraid.
All right. Me and you know so me hear the afraid in your voice.
Yeah, come on, believe in a hobby and doing something there.
You not believe in a hobby and them thing then nice. But here I'm want you do. You see one day when you see your father in a one good mood, just go to him and say, and just go to him and listen me careful now. Just phrase it that way. Say, Daddy, you know, so the thing them when they do what they, you can't just help me to understand what they mean. Man love when woman come and ask them for explain things. Them feel like them a man and them things. So you must do it that way there. Do it like you want him to teach you. Do it like you want to learn. Man, just go to him and say, Daddy, you remember the things and what they do with the something them and whatever. You know, something they just do it and never understand it. You can't just explain it to me and make me understand when I do come and learn. Just say it that way there and watch how he open up and talk to you. Here?
Alright. Yeah.
Alright, take care. Here?
Alright, thanks.
You're welcome. Boy, look a girlie. Say she afraid because she not believe in her wobia and all them something there and thing and whatever. And she's there read the Bible and see her father sprinkle up and I wipe up and all them things. But no, people don't know. A whole heap of Jamaican do these things. Sometimes them change up furniture. Right? We have all these beliefs. All I want to know is say, I know people still practice this. When somebody dead, before 3 days pass, you change up the furniture in the house. My mother do that. Hello?
Hello, Raga.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Wagwan.
But there, I know.
You look, you know. Yeah, you know, say me don't really have the mix up, you know, but hear me. There's a lady will call you. Tell you about the youth.
Hold on there. One second. Don't hang up. We just need to take a look at signal here and thing. Rinse. Yes, Carla. Talk up the things them now. What you say now?
Yes, Raga.
Yeah.
This lady call you, tell you about the two youth were drowned in the water down Manchester.
Yeah.
Yes, all right. Well, some time ago, there was an incident in Quarry Park where somebody got killed after they were run out of the police station. I take her to that case and get this lady to the public defender. Her sister, I get her to the public defender, and that case is in the hands of the public defender now. So this is a similar case. So what I would say, these people, they can check the blue page in the telephone book and look at the public defender and get and make the public defender know of this incident, and he will fight it for them.
All right then, Ruth, you just line up the number for the public defender.
Yes.
All right, Papa, thanks. Here.
Yeah.
All right. That's I want to thank that gentleman for making that note. So Ruth, just line up that number there for me. We could send on the public defender number out in the air, make sure the people in here will go and contact the Ph.D. and so him can do for them. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, this is Stewart.
Just
I want to mix up with you about this with the artist boy. Could take you back and stuff. In that medical phone, right? A BlackBerry. A board too, right? So whenever I'm not arranging to say, I have to give my number, I have to give the pin number, me and him go buy the phone. So I never have a phone. So he give me the phone and whatever. Him have the number and we did the attack and thing. Make 2 little link and whatever. However, I never give him a PIN number. Because I don't really have him from a BBM list there start him out, you understand?
What you saying I need for what? You don't need for what?
I don't need to have him on my BBM list to be starting him out, you understand?
Okay.
So, he might make a big deal outside. So, call me out of the blue.
Hold on. You say you don't need to have him on your BBM if what?
True, me I start him out.
Okay, so you want him did actually a start out?
Yeah, look at thing going, well, if I start with the cards, I'm working swiping, you know?
I look at thing going with, is that entertainer you talk about?
Yeah, man, a big entertainer.
Big entertainer. So, yeah, say like, we never actually do
we never do the thing, but listen, do him thing, you know?
Him do him thing. You never do nothing to talk it through?
No, never do nothing, never do that.
You never do nothing?
No.
So it's just him swipe you?
Right, and you receive it and enjoy it.
Okay, how many times him swipe?
About 3 times.
About 3 times? So the 3 times you and this big entertainer interact, the 3 times him just swipe you and that's it?
That's it.
Alright, go on talk.
Alright, call me for the blues no more about the phone. And I say, one about the phone, you can't get about the phone. If you don't give about the phone, I give my BB to him, I say, look here now, you now get the PIN number. You don't have my phone number, what more you need? Anyways, him come and say, alright, forget about that, to go out on the road. I would out on the road and borrow my phone. Take a start now, I take him one, take out the BB, pin out of the phone. So, me said, let me phone the quick, man, give the password. Can I know the password, you know? I'm going to say, no, a man just tell me, say, don't give this boy the phone, you know, because the pin anymore. Anyways, come and say, yo, give him back the phone or whatever. But I made him go buy the phone, so me did it with him, say, don't know the phone by the man name or whatever. And thing. Alright, him come again now, him forget about the BB pin, we buy some grocery and stuff, and him put it in my house and thing. But my boyfriend live overseas. So, he don't normally tell me when him come. You don't know them because for the moment thing or whatever. But I talk to him every day. So, now the morning, I get up, I call him phone, I get voice message, and I say, alright then, now sweat it. Now the day I call him back voice message, and I say, you know, say I come this boy, I come Jamaica and whatever. So said, so done, you know. So I call him and I him say, you know, say, it better you know come over. Ray, can normally come and come chill and tell me the talk and then the thing. You know, don't know.
Hold on. So let me follow you so far. Your man they are foreign and thing, and you talk to your man every day. So when you call your man couple times and you go straight to voicemail, you pick up say, you know, say I forward from foreign.
Yeah.
So because of that, no, you call the entertainer, you forward, who swipe you and give the phone. Say, yo, I better you just chilling because you sense your man come forward.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright. So we did go shopping like the day before. The buy because grocery and thing up a price mark. So and put it at the house and thing. Then at the night now him text me about Monday and everything I was in there starters and bases. Then I don't know welcome home gift and ring.
Yeah.
So the phone ring and me answer. Because me the answer I look suspicious. So better me just answer it and act normal and chill, you know. So I say, hi, what's up? So me there talk normal. He not talk to me, I say nothing much. Me there man, I don't know, say my baby there and me and there chill and attack. I will recommend. It's not me link you tomorrow and make you know if we can still go town go buy the stuff then. In there and him start get excited and I make nice and I buy a grocery and man come and Ray and say I take me for come take them back and Ray. So I say come for them man.
Well on. So him never know say you have man long time?
Yeah, me tell him.
So you just give him the code and things. So you make sure say you answer your phone in front of your man.
Yeah.
And you say no, you say your baby there and rate it. So if anything me link you tomorrow and go. So you make it look like you talk to one of your girlfriend then.
Right.
Nice. And then when you tell him that no, well on. So careful of the background noise there.
Yeah, somebody are talking about them and just not
no, but we not hear them because they may go say something enough to go over the radio. No, we just don't want to hear them. Okay, good. So when you give him that code, then no, him get bring glass, him go buy the whole of the food and your man there and him the food.
Right, and I go on with the excitement and thing, you know. We even buy a little comforter set because this happening at December. And we buy comforter set and thing up at Agent up across. So the nice comforter set, you know. Some of them say, your man asleep on my comfort. I said, my buy and race. And I said, no, I'm not spread up my bed yet for Christmas. At Christmas Day, I plan to put on the comfort. I said,
You're not easy, you're full of talk. What?
No, I can't make the thing look no way, because you don't know the man I listen all the way. I'm going like him now listen, because you don't know the things that, So I have to play it off. So I said, can I get that comforter set there for you tomorrow? And just link me and let me know. I'm going to check with the man to see if you have the plans to me and I will try. But it's free, you understand? But you know, I'm going to go up to them and come back for because you go up there cook and
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Our credit done.
Ay, boy. Rude. Sure. That's why sometimes when then things are go, we need to get the necessary information as quickly as possible. Sure. Call us if you can call back there, man. Give me a call back there, because more than anything else, we need to know who. Off the year. All right? Oh, Lordy. This is most upsetting. Caller. See if you can give me a call back here. Please. Give me a call back. Quick time too. In the meantime, give me a next caller, Ruthie. Give me a next caller. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening, Miss Thelma.
Is that Raga? Should all the acquaintance be forgotten, never brought to mind? I am
young now?
Years young.
86 years young. Sorry, I always get it wrong. You're 86 years young. So what you saying now, Miss Thelma?
Yes, you know why I sing that song there? Because
why, darling?
You have beat the song. You remember?
Yes. Out long side.
Yes,
you're right. Remember, Miss Thelma.
Yes. You see, I hear some of the words of them, they laugh. And you know, you mean that song?
No, Miss Thelma, tell me no.
AUL mean old in our language.
Right.
And long, and then you have S-I-N, sign mean time, mean old, long time.
Okay.
That is the meaning of the song. From school days I learned that.
Miss Thelma, but you know the things, man.
Of course I know that I can party to you. If you come, I can teach you too.
Okay.
I can teach you. You will teach me, and I can teach you too.
All right, Miss Thelma, all right.
But Robert, make up something. Why you forsake me?
Me don't forsake you, Miss Thelma.
You're not up to me like first time. Because the night call you and him call me and give me a hot word.
Why is that, Miss Thelma, when the night call, we must call you and give some hot words to warm you up, don't you?
Exactly.
Sure.
Rastafarian said words are life.
Okay, words are life.
Words are life.
Okay, Miss Thelma.
Anyway, my little take it back, you see?
Yes, Miss Thelma.
It's a little joke. Be careful.
Yes.
A Chinese man one day did this. Inside it was a dish full of pure sausage. You hear me?
Yes.
It was a plate full of pure sausage. And him just jump over and say, come here, take it back. Me eat this a part of the cow.
Him not eat this a part of the cow.
Say, come, take it back. Me eat this a part of the cow.
Him not eating the cow, that part of the cow. Him not eating the cow instrument.
Then say, must come and take it back.
But Miss Thelma, you know, say them, you know that them cook that part of the cow do and then say it tastes good.
Well, Abba put the fire.
Yes, Miss Thelma. Do that one quick. We have 1 minute.
Yes, it's quick and short. 12 cars, you see?
Yeah.
Leave Kingston to Montego Bay.
Yes.
And the journey, one of the cars break down.
Yes.
And when you tell me what time did the rest of the car reach the Montego Bay? Come on, no man.
1:12, me don't know.
11:1.
11 past 1.
Yes.
All right, Miss. All right, because the one broke down on the level past the one. All right, Mr. Elma, thank you for that.
And you must forsake me, man. You know, say I love you all the while.
Okay, Mr. Elma, now forsake.
We are going to people like myself, for me, Mr. Silent with Rugger. And I can't leave you out.
All right, Mr.
I'm
Elma,
a very
bless you.
grateful woman.
All right.
I appreciate what you have done for me.
Okay, Mr. Elma, thanks. Here.
And darling, then the new year, I didn't want to send you appreciation card, but I didn't know how to get it to you.
Okay, Mr. Elma, I'm going to link you.
So never leave me nor forsake me.
All right, Mr. Elma. Okay, then people have to go on a break for soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the sitting. Now we say mix up and blender straight right. Yes, and we're upon the take you back mix up. And we are fortunate enough to have back our caller who we had lost just now. Who did I give it the mix up about the take you back mix up about the entertainer? Caller, you're back?
Yes, I'm here.
Well, you know, I know I won't know, but you sure I am because I'm a big superstar.
100%.
I'm a big superstar, and you know them man, them are thugs and gangsters certain way, and
yeah, but you see, women have little power. You know, you don't know that thing. They have little power over man and thing.
For real, and him just swipe regularly and never get the run and never get the green light.
Well, it didn't reach to that, you know, but you know the man come and you can't. We're not gonna deal with the two things one time, so.
One time, okay.
I'll have to do this all in corners and wait.
Okay, so how it happen now when you depend on the phone and he must say,
yes, so me say,
me
I play it off and me say, yo, we can go get a comforter fee if you like that one, still, you know, with no pressure, you know, depend that, just link me to man and me can squeeze it in. So me say, you know, like, you must bring through and I say, listen to me, man, I can't talk right now, and you're going to go in your drama with your people them right now, I can't do that, you know, I depend on the counseling time, you know, so I call it tomorrow, right?
Okay, so a beer code you gave me. Hey, you know easy, you know?
Yeah, I call it up on you know the thing, you know. But then I say, look, they put the phone on all alerts off, right? Because if there's a BB, you can do that. So, put it on all alerts off and put it on.
You know, so I don't even know that. They have to teach me that. I don't know about that, but go on.
Yeah, man, you can set it, man. So, I say, I don't want it ring. I don't want it send a message or nothing. Still I get
notifications off. Right.
Right.
Okay.
So, I come to the box and do that now. I don't want to turn it off and make it look no way, you understand? So, phone lock and everything and there. So, in the morning now, him call back and thing, and you know, I talk to him, the command in the bathroom, and I talk to him and things. And then more about the girls to them, and now not fat no foul and re and thing and thing. And
man said, nah, fat no foul for mangoes.
Yeah, and there's some to think about. Look at it this way. You there, the labor, them, you never know some if you intake food, so you get all of them substances. So then look at it better and I get it green and say it. So
you tell it, well, you tell him, say, when him did a swipe, it take a whole heap of energy for you to take the swipe, no?
Yeah, because I get back everything. So I say, the man that fat me and you will get it same way, get the fattening too. More ways.
Oh, okay, me see what you say, because you're a good man of foreign spend money on you and think him did I get access to what the man has spend money on. No, so I see your argument.
Right. Yeah, it's like a multivice. I mean, he might get this thing and he might complain, and you know, him buy little things and he might come go on. You understand? So I look here, you getting back the things is nothing. You can get them back. That is nothing to me. You know how then we are talking and say I come pick them up. I say no, I'll deliver them. Come know where I'm living now. I say I'll deliver them. So I say
no, I know where I live to. I know where I live to.
Yes, I can tell you even more of the years, and if you want to believe me more. So we are saying, listen to me, we deliver them.
Yeah,
so it's like he want the excitement and thing. I don't know if, you know, he want the excitement and race. And I say, no bother with the foolishness, because I know my people, them all them see, and it's always my word against yours, you understand? Because I can tell him to look a fool that look me and you understand? So I say, all right, then no problem. Some come to box and me I pack up the groceries to them. Of course, the man I say, where you go to the groceries to them and thing? I say, no, so my friend, when we talked last night, she was a drama, go down the team, she and her man, him left her and he take out everything out of the house with the girl and have nothing, no one thing.
And I say, wicked, me I say, yeah, man, he take everything. I say, have a little baby, no call me, never did if mix no little fire. Don't you know him love fit me and thing? Me I soft me, I see me hold it. I pack up everything now, me I tell everything with the man down, I pack up every single thing I pack up. And me I say, yo, me I go carry him down here, I go deliver them. So I come so, and I say, you know, I'm carry him back down here. Well, they call him now, never answer me, but the gate not always... No, if I give it to what the gate not open.
No. Don't say nothing about the gate. Just go on.
Can't say nothing about the gate. Alright. So, I call him, so I say, no make no sense me going in no dead then, because I can't go in. You understand? You know it's set.
Yeah.
Right. So, I did now and thing. And I say, alright then, let me keep them packing in the bag and thing. So, I go back with them. I say, oh, you say I give the girl them and thing. I say, no, so I call her and I don't know, look at the man and mash up the phone and then go stop there. Oh, I go manage and know and thing. But if you just carry iPhone, I carry iPhone to me, so you want to get your BB? Can I get the iPhone and I carry for so I say,
mad?
No. Yes, I said, no, I can't get my BB. No, I'm not like, cause the iPhone now have the app to do the BB, and then since you want to sell out the iPhone for half price, I said, I go say that can't work, Nancy. You know, easy now, I'm trying back and sing, and I say, yo, you know, carry something, them come at you. True, man, they have to go on the road, go skew, they go rare. So I say, relax yourself, man, I have them pack up. Just tell me when you're at home and I'll deliver them. That is never come back in December still, you know, but in January, he call me back and me and him talk, and I say, true, he can't take the idea to know, say, racy. And that's what I done tell him, I say, he understand, but my feet actually never get the start yet, make him a jump, you understand?
See.
So yes, and he don't spend up his money. It's like him, I say, can't make everything go to waste, and he don't spend the money, can't buy the phone, this and get this for the right price. And a bogus phone or off the market phone, you buy in a digital.
Right.
Yes,
right. So he buy it straight up, yeah.
Right. So he pay the full price, and then you buy my grocery more than one occasion. Time I work him way in, and he said he's not a fool, and he said he used to it, so he can't come with the little foolishness and rain. Yeah, and I say, just look at you the excitement type, and I think they tuggy, so you know, look like it can't work out and thing. I know that since the man gone up him call me and ask me how the girl are going and thing, and he say he must send off one barrel. Him send it off, but me not clear yet. He must send off the barrel. And
I say for help the girl, the girl.
And enough baby things he'll say.
Enough baby things.
He say, me have pampers to sell like crazy and now like.
Yeah, but so you're going to just hustle with them there and get some money for them there.
Some good pampers brand is a good thing. You have a little godson still.
Okay, you have to help some people too, don't you?
Yeah, man, enough baby things.
So you want to entertain her done then?
Yeah, man, I'm at the drama thing and knowing that people, them head not so straight when they come to me. So I bet I'm just going, yeah.
Your man acted certain way, don't you?
Yeah, all long time acted. So now them just a calm and a second. You can't make little drama.
Well, the entertainer there, him a thugs and gangsters still, but he's a youth who generally quiet to do, you know, don't you? You know that, don't you?
Yeah, man, he's quiet and soft and basics, right?
No, him not soft, you know. Him just quiet.
No, not in that way. In the room way.
Okay. Him nice and romantic and them way they don't. I saw do.
Very. I have to give him props on that. But now like someone you big enough still, you know him sing and he makes a work. He's like an artist that, you know, like when you have paint, and now like him paint a good thing.
Him paint a good picture when him do him thing, don't?
Nah lie.
Why? But why? This is interesting that yes.
But I can't take the chance go there because if that little sweetness hold him so much, you know?
Yeah, because so basically what I hear from you is if him just know the 100 and just know say yo, you juggle with a cat here, she may give the green light and send on this no wicked and thing, but from Mr. Man come down
get from the green light because from bring him home and see him know the man get the green light.
He know him gonna get it, but you know like how some woman always like the man wait a look a while and all.
And I really that you know actually you know say the entertainer don't know the girls even all of them look good all them ugly don't know so the girl them run behind them because of what? Because fame like whatever them want be in the known.
You know want him go two things say
right, then it's because me like say me a whole out and me a play Ray. It's like a little challenge film, it's like a little game. So I think that's why I'm doing all these little things, you know?
Okay. No, but you see in a film space, I wonder if a clown, you have a clown him or you have him like him an idiot. So that's why his immediate reaction. But from when I hear it from him, no same upon the Bonner man stage and the man forward. Him should have just bill and go and easy. I say, all right.
No, I said, I'm woman, them, I'm value good up, be the mother, you know that's right?
No, I know that. But I say from him, in a, more so the case, if him in a Bonner man stage. That's why I tell people, born with respect, you know your place. So if him know say him in a Bonner man stage, and you say your man there, come from foreign and there, him should have gone and bill. And if, you know, if him, usually when them things that come up, and I mean, know say them know say me know. Me don't tell nobody else, you know. I tell them, I don't walk and tell people. But if them see me, if them not say nothing to me, me not say nothing to them. Right? So if him says something to me, I gotta tell him straight and say, nah, man, they don't know the thing said daddy. You know, she have her man and rate it.
No, man, you never view me as them girl if you send me that calling, because you never view me as them girl if you send me that calling at all. You never view me as a quiet little girl. You never view me bad levels if you send me
no, but just I say, as a Bonner man status, him should have bill and just chill when him knows that your man there. Oh, yeah, all right.
Boy, I can take him for a tour still. I good up money spend at the price mark the night, and then for that, make the head hurt, you know, because I found you know, like some good up money spend at night, because, you know, Christmas I come up and thing.
Yeah, that give me an idea how much I like in our room.
Yeah, mix up, you know.
No, man, we just want to understand the mix. Eh? We just want to understand the food. At 25 grand, and a nice little grocery
in a price mart only, but we do some kind of shopping for the comfort and the bathroom and thing.
So every time it come around to around 35, 40 grand, somewhere around this, right?
More than that, yeah.
Oh no, comfort, yeah, so you know, 50 region spending.
Yeah, about 50 and then the phone, there and other little times where you have to do little shopping. Not so big shopping, like a 10-pack shopping and stuff.
Okay, but the bowl tune around 50 at it then now, somewhere around this side.
Yeah, and when they get it, good about them price, 50 at, I think 50 at in the pay fees also.
Okay, so him spend more than 100 grand paying a little time here and him up. Easy.
That's at the least. That's at the least.
That's a monkey money for you. So, what are different?
But no money and no monkey money, but I'm saying that's the least. You understand? Sometimes we waste that for foolishness, sometimes we never realize.
That's true. But why before you go do, I know that you there doing and I be a steer right to man him step to it, so you must look good now, wara.
I feel good, you know, so I don't even know how we get for talk, you know, to tell the honest truth, because it's just a little party we're going. You know, I said, you can move, all right, I'm a friend, I said, it's alright. I said, ooh, because, you know, sometimes there's someone you never realize there's a person. And thing and him brush me.
As in an entertainer. Right.
Mm-hmm. How did they talk? And I said, I used to have little reasoning ability and thing. And, you know, I never did put no looking argument to me. And I did like that stuff. How did they talk? And I said, I got cut to them. So I said, give me a number and thing. And I said, no problem. And I give the number and thing. And from that was start link and thing. And then smooth sailing so far. I never know such little man thing with a hurting sound at all. I thought it would go smooth and thing, you know.
Alright, now say a word, man. Just go and hold it and think. Boy, I mean, I lie do, you know, but you know, easy when you run your thing, you know, you think you're nice.
And I want to tell you something, little man teach me the runnings, you know, from one class. He teach me the runnings there, so I go when you build something, you have to know what you have done.
Hold on. The same man when you're there would teach you the runnings.
Because more time you tell me, because he is a man out there and people respect him like that, so more time girl will share two things with him and him always tell me them and I say, but you must tell me what should I act man thing. So it's them same little lessons they were in.
No, let me just ask you this, because this is very instructive for me. With all due respect, me I learn right now. What you are telling me, say, is that when you and your man are reason and him I tell you the road code and I say, oh, she should have do this or oh, him should have do this or a talk, but you actually learn, and after you learn, what you are telling me now is that you are implement the things then where you're good up man, they teach you and explain to you.
Yep.
And you're good up man, don't know say you are implement the things them, him don't know that either.
No, because sometimes I act like me even listen to tell the honest truth, and I say, yo, them girl that idiot man, I'm done the argument this and him still a talk, but you know.
Oh, but Jesus. Oh, but then all I come in now, you tell me this now, I have to be careful with me, I'll go say all around my woman.
But you know that long time. Men, I
never really. I know that, you know, but I say, it not really, can I say, Yo, be careful when you say around your woman, you know, because you tell her that in a confidence and then she may not go say, you know, so I learned this thing from a man, so I'm going to just implement it and thing. In other words, the best way for done your man, you know, is for use the same strategies where your man say, I go work.
Mm-hmm.
But, yo, that deep, you know, man.
Always.
That deep, you know, man. Because if they are confiding in you, and but the reason why your man and make you know these things is that in a female mind, you will never, you and him pass the stage where you will do them things there.
No, not have me like that.
That's the point me I make. Hey, you think you're nice.
But then again, you still have to be careful because them was saying we say good girls are just better liars. So you still have to be careful, you know?
And you know what you must also know too, a rule when me have. You see, when I'm around women them way there, I teach them everything they know, but I don't teach them everything I know.
That is true, but I want you to say give me everything.
Yeah, then that me I hear.
I get it from the rude boy and then I get it from the girl side, so I want you to say I'm good for it. But it's not a thing I really practice, but you know, sometimes you just need somebody for angle there, you never know.
No, darling, you practice it, man. You practice it and you're good for it, no class.
No, practice it, I want to say just lucky for occasions, alright, they use it. It's just that.
Okay. Spoken like a true player.
Yeah,
like a true player. Well, I'm not an active participant. It's just that on occasions or now I may have to exercise a few of the techniques that I managed to obtain over the years. You think you're nice. Well, yes, big up the woman.
Yeah, big up the little old woman where face is at and I still wrinkle like when you ring out close foot pan line and she said all of the young boy them look at it. I want you to scale her up to me and make you know the ideas them done after the calendar. Right about now, she needs to get some little things to tighten up by the skin and that she needs to focus on right now.
Which area she live in? Just the area?
Portmore.
Now say a word. All right, bless up here.
All right, big up.
Yeah, man, take care. Yeah, with a cat here and easy, you know. But, hey, man, I tell you, it's simple. All of my dog, them want to listen. Rowan, listen. Andrew, listen. Talman, listen. I want to listen. Pepsi, listen. Chris Cross, listen. Jermaine, listen. All of my dog, them listen. You hear what the woman just say? She say she learned the things them from her. You hear she good. She good. She know the road code. And here she said she had the best of both worlds because she learned the things them from the thugs them who know the industry moves them. And she know the woman side already, so she combine them. And when she speaks, she's obviously very intelligent. And she's a thinker. Cognitive capabilities are quite developed. Right? But when I say, this simple and powerful thing you must learn from. So simple that it is deceptively dangerous. She said, in a conversation with her man, when like them observe a drama and them say, John, but a girl is idiot, you know, she should have done a rate, boom, bang, 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 bang. And probably I said, no, you see, before me the day with him, one girl and I did a corner out and boom, bang, 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 bang. And you watch a movie and you see somebody make a look at idiot move and you say, John, no, but him a fool, boom, bang, 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 bang. And you just reel out your strategies and your thoughts and your ways of to beat the system with this and that. And she did learn. And you hear what she said? What she learned from him, she's implementing them. She's applying them, using them. The best way to beat a man, you know, is to find out the strategies where that man believe can beat him. Yeah, hey, should I use the thing deep? You see it. All right, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Greetings.
Yeah, man, give thanks to life.
How old is Raskava?
Can you imagine?
Yes, man, you must run come calling it too. You hear me tell my calling. But all you go on, you know. All you running right now. Yes, if I want me don't hear from you, I don't hear from you in a long time. And as me tell my calling, you running today, you could have deal. Me have broke your foot. Hands in your milk, Raskava. Hands in your milk. Me tell me just that. Tell you.
Wrong now. I don't drink milk.
You don't drink milk?
I don't drink milk. You are looking when you say hands tonight. Are you a container you are looking at for me? After the baby start grow teeth and I bite the mother breast, you know, want no more milk, so I don't drink milk.
All right, Papa,
So,
what you
you
say
always
now?
a fight a losing battle with Miss Thelma, you know, baby. You always do that.
No,
and you don't
Carver.
seem to be
Carver.
learning.
Carver, you don't even know the card where I draw. You see when Miss Thelma call and I say, oh, me have a see car, no, I'm not link or whatever. I the pill that, you know. I the pill that for make you think say me and her not linking.
You don't, Miss Thelma is a technocrat. She's a imoplat person.
Yo.
You know, you're a diplomat, but you're a imoplat.
Well,
she will come on the radio. You have the facility to make Miss Thelma be heard all over the world. So Miss Thelma will not jeopardize that privilege just by not accepting you and telling you that, brethren.
Me can't tell you, say, Rascava, me can't tell you, say, you never did around Miss Thelma upon her birth night, and me did it, you never did it. Me know how the 86-year-old go. You probably know up to 85. Me know the 86. All you can, right? And me say 2010, and me say Miss Thelma 2010 birthday. You understand?
Yes,
in fact,
but you were there among friends and family. You had no time to be not more to share what is said on the program. And
listen, Rascava,
so what that is saying.
a pity you don't even know. You know, say me and Miss Thelma go over officer, registrar office, what do you?
Brethren, we have to use somebody. Somebody have to get.
Hold on. You don't know, say me and Miss Thelma go registrar office, what do you?
Why shouldn't I know that? It was planned.
Well,
that
me tell you. You know why we go over there?
The facility.
Do you know why we go? Do you know why we go over there?
Over where?
Over registrar office.
Why would people go to registrar office?
All right, I'm going to tell you. We went to the registrar's office because Miss Thelma wanted to change her name from simply Thelma to Thelma Shanti.
Yes. And I tell you why Miss Thelma got this privilege. I am tutoring her, you know. So she will not want to lose the facility that you can offer by using your name to go and get doors open and to get things done on our behalf.
People are going to break right and I was soon far.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in nice sitting, welcome back. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
How you doing?
I'm there. What going on with you?
Well, Raga, you see the girl we just talked to before Rascava?
Uh-huh.
What kind of disappointed was she doing now?
Wait, which one? Which one again?
The one that told about the entity, you know.
Yeah. Disappointed. Where should I? Why?
Yes, because Raga, sometimes I'm not disappointed with she, and the secret was she bust out with. Sometimes you man lead them, and certain things them share with you. You know, come over the radio, come tell enough man not going to want to do it again. We are laugh for Raga.
But it's so like, yo, we need to protect the man's wife, whatever. No,
I'm not talking about the swipe. I'm talking about, like, say, she and her man lay down and he might tell her certain thing and he might try a certain code and then she use it and then she I got come up on the radio and say, boy, because when him tell her she use. No, man, no one going to tell you certain things again. You understand what I say?
Can I tell you something and be honest with you?
What?
It's a show ya. We explore life and we explore through the mix-up farmer. Well, through the mix-up farmer, we explore things that happen out in the world. That is the nature of the show. And I'm going to be honest with you. You see, when people listen to Mutty Perkins and hear about current affairs and whatever, them learn from it, you know. When people listen to Barbara Gluedon and whatever, them learn from it.
I know.
So just the same way when people listen to that show, yeah, they're going to learn from it. We say laugh, learn, and grow. So you can't prevent the learning.
Yes,
but I will say this to you.
Learning can be prevented because when men are going to talk to grown women now, they must be careful of certain things what them say.
Yo, I'm going to be honest with you.
Yes.
You see, as much as you learn,
yeah,
and as much as people know say you learn, you see, if you steer, if I saw you steer, I saw you steer. So you see, if somebody is a proper canis and them realize that person here hip to what them a do, them adapt and them create something else. It
yeah,
always
me know.
So what you are say, what me I say, if man stops at certain things, it just going to lead to some other way where the woman still have a condom.
Yeah, I understand, Raga, but it's better when you learn from men about men. It's when you learn from men about men, because there are sometimes men sit down and them talk, and you just sit down and you listen to them, and some things with them start talk. Sometimes, you know, sometimes, me tell you something, it's sometimes some women or some man, if you don't want in a context, if you don't want to hear certain things, and you know, say, after you hear it, it'll go upset you, better you don't listen. Because sometimes some men talk some things that, where after they finish talk, when they talk and you song and you look back on certain things, and them sometimes when time you repeat to him, find some things when him tell you.
All right, well, I'm going to tell you something. You see, when me a fool on a man, the two things me always try to notice. Me have a thing where me always try to find the person center first and see if somebody me can work with. I'm not really going at that because we don't have no time for it. But the point is, everybody have a center.
Yeah.
And the center is a core from which everything else is compromised to that center. Everything else evolve. Some people are them picnic. Money come after them picnic. Work come after them picnic. Some people is church. Some people is God. Them picnic come after God. Work come after God. Some people are them career. Mm-hmm. You know? Picnic, woman, and everything comes second. Everybody have a center, and it's the motivating force. Now, we don't have time for getting into the details about how people define them center and operationalize them center. But I will say this to you, though.
Yep.
When me a fool on woman, you know one of the things me notice, you see, if it's a woman who love man company, me know say that girl going hip to certain things. I mean, no for deal that. You see, she have brother. You see me out there with that girl and she have like 3 brother or whatever.
Like me already put brother.
Me already put that woman there in a certain slot because I know say her brother gonna make she know certain things already. So me know say me I come at her differently. You understand? So the point me I make is I just you for learn and I just hang around. You understand?
Okay, point taken, Raga. May I share one more thing with you before we go? Because I don't share too many. I know me need to call me after the show and cuss me.
Yeah.
Raga, me say, this is the way when you advertise the show, she get up how much she got your show and she buy a poly for this and that for God the show. The day you show, Raga, she a call her man for the money for God the show. The man not answer. She call the man. The man not answer. So she said to me, say, me for call him. So me say, what me I call him for? She said, auntie, maybe if you call him, he will answer you. So me call him still not answer me. So me I say, when him not answer me, no, she said to me, I must borrow the money for her. And then she will pay back the money. So me try to get the money for borrow. She may not get it. So me say, me not get the money, you know. So she said, boy, auntie, me want going on my back, and she start crying. So me say, boy, I say, go, next time when you get money, you have to save your money. You don't have all of the money. Well, I'm away. She called me. I said, auntie, me I going to finally call my back. So I said, for real? She said, yeah. So one time, she said, show me half a tree. Raga, you don't get my phone and ring this girl. I cry, auntie, me didn't have a tree started and I have no money. Me not about to go to the show again. So I said, what happened? She said to me, say, him come and half a tree and she had him catching an argument and she Tim said she don't want a little bit of money for God the show because she had got VIP and she plan out her thing and she got party after, so she don't want that little bit of money. So man say, you're lucky, you better take your Raga, you want over, you're lucky. You're not to be giving no dinner and you can't kill up yourself a chat about Raga this, Raga that. You're lucky, you got your business because Raga, you kill up. So me said to her, I said, no, you should give man him dinner. She said, auntie,
no, man, she should have given him dinner, man. I exchange, she should have given him dinner. No, she wrong.
Me I tell her wrong. Me say you should give the man him dinner. Or you finna come a Raga show. And you know the man don't like Raga. And you are going to give man the dinner and then you are going to kill the man over money for that Raga show. Then I expect say man never want to give you.
Yeah, then how much money him did I give?
Me say, it must be 2.5 him that give.
A 2.5?
To me. Me not got no VIP, no me I got no regular.
So wait, and the show did I keep on Christmas, so is that 2.5 she get for her Christmas?
Raga, I spite the man, I spite her.
But most, that ladies, you can't do hype about Raga to your man. Man can't deal with them things, you know. Don't. I ain't seen enough for uno. Uno just a go and about Raga to no man. Uno for hold down some I think they buy. If only for my survivor, because I can make some of them money start. Yeah, you see that boy there.
That me I tell her, what's she not give the man a Christmas dinner, Raga? And then she will cuss the man. And I tell the man say she don't want the money and dash for the money. And I say, man, this thing give me.
She not move right, man. Yeah, we have to go to some other caller. But you have some woman when them a work, man, and a warm up, man, towards like a big money, you know. It's a hard farm to that, you know, man. Give man a good start out a week before and just a drop. But say, boy, you're good, man, you know, my rate and thing and whatever, you know, because I want to be like with you, you're secure, you know. Look how you can't make me listen to Reggae and go Ragashanti and nothing, and I look forward to that. And you make sure you say that to him. So you make sure you say that to him after you done mash up him head with all a good start out. That time the man is very receptive to being kind to you and going into agreements that he will have to hold. She don't know for work, man. She should have full in belly. And then I take money from the man and then
all right.
Anyway, I forgot bunk some other
yeah,
call.
All right, then. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. People big and serious though. You know, say me I pre about the thing there with the mix up there with the big about the entertainment. Yo, big and serious. I know what she's saying. About if me buy a Blackberry for a woman, if me buy a bowl tour, and bowl tour Jamaica run from 50 to 60,000. And if me buy a bowl tour Blackberry give a woman, me have to get the pin. I want me to you. Me have to get the pin. I'm mad. No, sir. Can't just get number alone. No, me have to pre back the thing. No, sir. The entertainer should have get the pin, man. My girl, for real. I'm not really to understand your logic, you know, because it's safer to give a man the pin than to give him your number. If you know what I say. No. But I can't buy them big expensive phone, the Blackberry phone, you man, and I not get the pin. You have me like me the pan curfew. No, sir, you that thing, man. I am sure I know the code too. If you want a pin from you buy the phone, you take out pin right away before she hold the phone. That's how the thing for stay. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes. Hello. Yeah. Yes.
Time listener. No, not first time listener. Long time listener. First time caller.
All right. Yes.
Yeah, here you are, my man, you know, but took a long time in a talk to you, but me now have nothing to say. I was secret, I want to hear my baby father, me and him there for 15 years. I said, me and him a cuss on sight, you know. I said, to me, love grandma and mother yard, me a panther, Brazil, you know. I am G-string, you know. And I use there, wait, panning up, I'm missing, you know, I go left, you know, catch my always do that.
Hold on, man. Well, you are your man, cause I always go with your mother. 15 years a day with him.
Go away, because 205, when I cuss alone, or 5 toes. And him well
then when you see,
you know, him slim, him well sexed up in the 18 and I see, then I have some memories from the I left me, you know, I was so shocked when I see you, like.
So, so when him get upset, say you might left him and him not see you again, just remember you have to get a feel of your input and your brazier.
You not busted me and him left. I nearly did a Spanish town.
A lie.
Me I tell you,
So in order to remember you and to get a feel for you when you're not dead, when him heart a tear up and him a miss you and the memories of you and him want to get close to you. You know, sometimes some woman will all go smell the man cologne in our shirt with them keep her. Them smell the pillar. What him do is him put on your G-string, put on your brazier, put on your 90 and call and say, listen.
92.
So you comfortable with that?
Me and him never ever go further. I trip it a bit of him, but to whatever I live good in front of the youth, them they don't tell him say it never ever go no further. So him I do them things like for try to get me in my head back, but me never would have fall for that.
Okay, that never catch you.
No, me never would have fall for that, but for me it's much call in a call. Me never know that them things so much people do it.
You see, it's the other man do it.
Yeah. So it's normal and a lie, two things, I thought one witness.
No, it's not normal, you know. There's quite a few men doing it, but it's not normal. It's not normal. Normal is not the word to use to describe that. But I think the point you're trying to make is it intrigues you to find out say other man do the same thing to like what your man used to do.
Yeah.
All right. Now
Because
say a
I'm
word
more
respect
mixed
for
up
that.
with you, sometimes I have the word for that to mix up them. I can't get to talk to you. If you have a credit done, I'm not a credit to talk to you, but my mix up them. The whole of what you come with for your show them. Yeah,
All right. Here I know.
All
right, here I know. Give Ruth your name and number half the year right now. Here?
Yeah, my mix up them.
All right.
I mix up. It's a mix up to some of them have got caught up when you hear them. The way them them Tambourine for them.
All right, we're going to maintain the link. Give Ruth your name and number, here?
All right.
All right, then, cool. And people, I want you to know, I made mention of it before, so I want to make you know, right? There's a word called fetish. Fetish. And you can look it up in the dictionary. But fetish is basically an unusual or seemingly abnormal or an extraordinary act that gives somebody sexual satisfaction or sexual fulfillment or sexual arousal. Some people have toe fetish. Believe it or not, some people toes just turn them on. Some people have food fetish. Them like to use food, different food or fruits during sexual interaction. Some people like whipped cream. They use whipped cream. I have read they use whipped cream in some interesting ways. By the same token, there's a lot of men who have female underwear fetish. They get excited when they put on female underwear such as negligees and so forth and things like that. And it is not uncommon, but it is certainly not normal. But across the world, you have a lot of men who secretly, you see a man walk on and you're frightened if you know what do it. J. Edgar Hoover, one of the most feared men in the world, who ruled the FBI for many, many years. Presidents were afraid of him. That man liked to wear woman clothes and put on pumps and wear up the things them and whatever. That was a fetish. But he was also gay, they said. We're going to break us soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Hey man, welcome back up in nice sitting around juggle on crisscross, go and pray the thing because you got to close off with some song. Yeah, I'm not care nobody want to say no, who want vex, you know, but yo, big up whipped cream. Big up whipped cream. I like whipped cream pot. Whipped cream. But you can't do it too much, you know. What I sit in the Clyde? Yo! Okay, rinse the next caller for me. Good afternoon. Hello. Kinky Kim, I know say you not a whipped cream thing, you know. Kinky Kim, she know everything. She said whipped cream, honey, she all use dirt. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yes, I've been on hold for so long. I don't have enough credits. But I just want to say the thing of Friday, what happened Friday with the D-Block boys, nothing is not like that, okay? I don't have enough credits, but I just want to say that was false accusations.
Hold on. All right, talk to Ruth. Deal with that for me. All right. Give me a next call in the meantime. Hello. Hello,
pleasant good afternoon, Raga.
Pleasant good afternoon to you too.
How are you?
Well, I'm good, you know.
Well, I have a thing about Mixup, right? This happened when I was doing a part-time course. All right, yeah. I went into the store to buy a computer. I didn't have the money at the time. I was just checking out the prices. There was this guy in the store. He was eyeing me. So when I came out of the store, he walked up behind me and he said, "Hi, how are you?" And we started chatting. So he said, "You're trying to buy a computer?" I said, "Yes, I want one." Well, he said, "I have one can sell you, and I sell appliances," right? So he gave me his card. I took his card, right? Then I called him up and I asked him about the computer. He said yes. He said that he didn't really have one to say, he just wanted my number. So we started a relationship. We started chatting and, we started a relationship. We didn't really start out as yet, but we start going out and things. You see, I'm this uptype Christian girl. He wanted to get to me. Anyways, what happened was that
He said he was going to give me a computer. He brought me the computer and I was using the computer. Anyway, Raga, the guy traveled, right? So what happened was that he left for overseas. I didn't even tell me that he was going away. He had me calling his phone all day. Anyway, the other day, after I left, a guy, one of his friends showed up at my doorway and he said to me, you know that him gonna find because there was some mix-up and he had to fly out and he didn't get the time to tell you. Anyway, he said, you should give me the computer. I said, give me the computer. And he gave it to me as a gift. He said, yes. He said, you should give me back the computer because somebody else wanted to use an array and blah, blah. I was so upset. I didn't want to give it back to him. But I said, you know what? Out of Bex, he said, just give it back to his friend.
Are you give back the computer, haven't you? Hello? Oh, I take the credit. All right, well, man, say one about the computer. Right? See, man, I take back in things, man. Look like nothing I run yet and thing. Man, I say, yo, you know, if I when me want deep up in your software, you make me there, I will up my hard drive and nothing I run. Say now about the computer. Here we go. Give me back the caller room. Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yes,
hello?
yes. Are you did a call about the Black D mix-up, right?
No, my friend, but I'm kind of at work. Oh,
okay.
I'm saying that nothing like that did happen. He just some prank call or whatever. So
when the girl
I just
call
want to
and
make it
talk
clear.
hold on. When the girl call and talk about she's looking at the phone and see the youth and do the things with man from Black D over, so a lie she did that tell.
No, that's all lies.
That's all lies.
Because the D black boys, I know that they're galleys and all those stuff. And they're always fighting with girls, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the reason you know this, you and any of them there?
No, because I don't want to get into that long mix-up. This is not really the cover to talk about who they will who and who they will who.
No, we just want to know how you know. We just want to know how you just like what you come and explain himself.
Because I am the girl that's supposedly supposed to be with him.
Okay, then at that if you tell me say you are the real woman and you can't talk for him and he might do the things them with you. You have to talk up and you can't come nice for a Raga show.
No, boy,
you can't nice for a Raga show. You have to say a lie the girl and tell because you have up the man and he must set you so. And he must set you good like ice in a freezer. And I do the things that make you do the cartel laugh. Here you laugh. Man. My girl, when you defend your man, you have to step out and defend your man. You can't come out with them fenke, something that people won't believe you. Talk up and say the man has set you right and I turn you and I twist you and I do the things them.
Oh, yes, you set it right and do the things and stuff.
Yeah, big him up for me, tell him the worry. Tell him
I want to big up my baby.
Big up your baby.
I'll be call and say I'm dead up for you. I'm not dying up for you, love.
Boy, and make a girl know so she can't mash up you and your baby.
My baby.
Okay. Black D to the world. Big up all of the Black D girls, the Black D thugs, them large up on the say brap. Clip empty, throw that throw in one more, clicky clack. Brap. Alright, take care of yourself, here.
Alright, then Ragashanti.
Alright, I'll be a laughing she the funny no. She a big up her baby. Okay, all of the women them out there who know say, on the rate up on them babies, on the good man them who are on the babies, just make some noise right here now, snap your finger them and walk out and say your man love you. Oh, enough girl hype and can't do that. You understand, we talk it all a while. Enough girl hype and I say them are the wife and I know the man live. Enough of them are hype and own up the man and them name in the man phone. Enough of them are hype and own up the man and me tell you say them name in the man phone under a man name or under a place name. When them phone ringing at the man phone and Trevor come up. When them phone ringing at the man phone, you see all something named Balaclava come up. You understand? Okay, people, give me a next caller. Hello. Hello?
Yeah, Raga.
Greetings.
Why big up yourself still, you know, yeah?
I say a word, my family.
Yeah, man, but you know, say it's slow sometimes still. You see, if you mix up with entertainer Raga, you should have asked
Yeah.
say, why am I going to buy a BlackBerry again and you don't want a pin? Sure, idiot. But a man buy a BlackBerry again, you know, say I'm going to want a pin, Raga. You could have buy a Nokia again, you know.
No, hold on. Careful. You know, say a whole heap of man buy BlackBerry phone, get woman, and then don't even know about the pin. Me, I tell you that, man, I ask you.
Yeah, but...
Right, them
yeah,
don't even know about them something there.
Yeah, but you show interest in it. That not to cause no argument. Just give man your pin and it done this, so no argument none of that, Raga. Simple thing that...
Yes, if the man go buy her a BlackBerry too, she should have sent on the pin. That's the least of the thing, right?
Simple, I just ask you a simple thing that. So she talk like so she never really interested because she said, boy, him get number because them buy it best. But you understand, like so she not really want somebody share you, Raga. Somebody share you.
Well, all right, just see it.
You see, last year, it's not really hype still, but I'm going to tell about this still. Last year, Valentine's, me and my girlfriend, someone keep a quad. So we got a new Kingston in Raga, me down my car, right? So I see this girl, I walk up and down, and man, a trailer.
Yeah.
You know, a police station there.
Yeah,
so realize she go by a police station, Raga. So I take time, follow them, and stand up at the door. So she said to the police, boy, officer, you know, so the man you follow me. So the officer said, man, why you follow her? He sent her for dinner, and she no want to go home. So she said, you know, he want to have sex with her because them left long time, but, you know, him call her and invite her up on a Valentine's. He want to have sex with her. So she said, no, me and him, they like that, you know. He's just a friend and, you know, him take me out and know he want to have sex. So he want to say, boy, what you going to do? He want to make him money. So officer want to make him money, you get back your money and you done by dinner already. Well, you know, me I tell officer, more make half fight, you know, because she eat, you know.
Because she what?
Because she eat my food, so the dinner, so she have to go pay half my money. The man say, I'm back half my money. I can't tell her to give back half my money, man. Yeah, what kind of man is you? They carry back her dinner, and she, you know, she don't want to do a thing, and you have to tell her, you want back the money for your dinner, or you want back half of it. So that's what I'm calling the test, you.
All right, Papa, that's your word. Proper, take it back there. Okay, road to the cutie self send on the next caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, what's up?
Hi, Raga. Happy New Year to you.
And the same to you.
May have a mix-up to give you, but first, me have to tell you this. You see that picture where you have on your wall, me have beg you to Papa, take it down or not take it down, because I go on my bed the other night and I dream about you, but I know you alone in my dream. Are you and my favorite movie star named Jason Statham.
Jason
and
Statham.
some things want to have me underneath.
Well, are you telling me, say your dream, say me, you and Jason Statham, the transporter man in a threesome?
Of course, I do the things them, Raga.
No, but me not do threesome with a man and a woman. Well, did I just say that? Uh-oh. Slip of the tongue. Whoops, getting myself in deeper trouble. Tongue slipping. Anyway, hey, you know, say you're not easy.
But
so
Raga,
which one I pick?
Which one I pick? You have on your mix-up wall. Me the right on it and say you're debonaering. You look good, you're hot. Every time I look at the picture, I just get turned on by your Raga.
Allah. All right. Look, I want for fan wall attack.
No, man. For mix up, for AC wall, man.
For AC wall. Okay. Me know how we try to attack. All right. Then, all right. We swear we do. I put up one pop down one here.
No. Put up one pop down one. It's just that picture just makes you look so good. God Almighty, I want to have you and have you now. Picture.
Okay, but all right, here I know. But may I ask you something now? I just want to tell me the truth, and if me get done, all right? Real quickly, but between me and Jason Statham, which one are we the wickeder?
Of course you the wickeder.
Sure, Jason can't touch me, but he may transport something alone me. I want after some boy. All right, talk up quick because we have a Canada caller coming.
I am a Manchester person, and your chest Raga did not say one. And I love Manchester, me can grab and stick me nail in it. And you had have one of them chest the Raga. Almighty, me that go mad.
Sure, all right, talk quick. We have a Canada caller. We have wait for me here.
I'm at the Canada caller this year talk to.
Are you at the Canada caller? Oh, a Canada you call from?
Canada. Yes, Raga.
Okay, look like me get route information later. All right, everything is there. Then what on you know?
But
when you say me and Jason have you, so we did do everything?
We do everything right. Well, you do some things and Jason do everything else.
What? What you say, so what? There's some things me wouldn't do, but Jason would do everything, don't it?
Jason would do everything else, Raga, but there's some things that you wouldn't do.
There's some things where Raga say, you know what I'm not to Jason run in for that one because I'm not.
You find out. You find out. But let alone, Raga didn't do it enough for me.
Okay. Yo, so I'm going to say, yo, Jason, your chest a big like mine. When your chest big like mine, you can't just build, you can't just shut around. Jason, run in and go clean up.
You find out. So you know, sir, Raga, big things are going for your foreign in a people dream, right?
All right, big things are going for me a foreign in a woman dream. Mad. Now, see, all
right.
Which part of Canada you there? Which part of Canada you there?
I'm in Toronto, Raga.
You know, so when me come up there in June, probably an all-white party or something, we could have did it. We see how it go here.
You better come up in June. But rather, one more thing I have to say to you. The mix, the taking back thing, sometimes a good something. Not all the time, but sometimes a good something. Because if me never did take back my husband's phone when he come here, the first time from Jamaica, I would know the things them when he come here, come and go on with Raga. You understand? And then me just buy my phone game. I never know him. I take my phone around my phone bill so much thousands of dollars that he even use it, my phone, and I text him on them at Jamaica, and I tell them all sorts of hospital and cow fat. And then me never did take back the phone, I wouldn't know where I'm going with.
So, okay. So you're glad you take it back for see the whole heap of foolishness where I'm going with. When they say, okay, so
you have to become him and I text girl at Jamaica and pretend like say me and him.
Then hold on, when you take back the phone from him never like shut down him number or anything?
No, Raga. Him couldn't shut it down because the phone not my name, because me minor. When people come up foreign of brand new immigrants in Raga, them established credit. So for them to get certain things, especially when it comes to phone and all of that, you have to have certain credit limits. And him never have no credit, Raga. And my credit me use and get the phone for him. You understand? So they have my name. So when me find out certain things, my mother just take me Raga, and me's a girl like this. Me like to drink nice, cool drinks and wine. Me like to drink hard liquor. And for the 1 week when me find out when come at the Raga, me I want 1 liter of rum, and I done that rum within the space of a week. And tell him get a wrong pound cake, him come to Canada come mess with.
Jesus have mercy. So him did that go on with the things them wicked by you, man.
Him did that go on with them wicked Tommy Raga. Trust me, me say me there with man before, but me never have to go through this in my whole entire life. And he tell me same things, I'm gonna come and have him cake and eat it too. Me tell him, listen to me. Me say me live in Canada for how long now, but me still know my Jamaican culture. You understand me? And me have two sides to me. Me have the Canadian side and me have the Jamaican side. Which one you want? Because if you get the two of them double up, I'll lethal weapon that for you.
Papa Jesus, a boy better understand himself. Okay.
You understand? Trust me, Raga, me deal with him, and right now is like my head can't hurt me, my back can't hurt me. Him is like my knight and shining arm, and me can't cry no, Raga, because if side out them, me no mess.
Okay, so you want him still a par, you know? When still there until
him behave himself? I'm coming with he heated self, but he learn to behave himself, Raga, because I tell him, me Canada for how long, so much years, so come no man, the papa and him, I use me. You understand me? So I deal with him right and proper way, right? Now I'm a little puppy dog.
Right. Yeah, and now I him say straight respect to your Jojo. And him now look for anybody.
Straight respect, Raga, straight respect. As me even tell him, if he want things he can't give me bone, I will give him bone so he can't take bone no more. And that hot in my head.
You see it? And that's how you're cool.
Yeah, that's how I'm cool, Raga. Trust me, sometimes I get up and just put on my clothes and just nice and sexy and go to my door, Raga. And he don't know where me gone. And I'm that mad in head, Raga.
All right, take care of yourself. Big up all of the Canada link. Them here, John Cat Eyes, anyway, you're the So, a.k.a. Suki up there. Large up yourself. Take care here.
All right, Raga, take care of yourself.
All right. Okay, Ruth, is that it? Is that it, Ruthie? Is that it? Tell me, Ruthie, if that is it. Remember, you're the boss around the thing, you know. Let me know right away if that. Okay, Ruth said one more call, one last call. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Boy, I give thanks and everything, Jiggy man. Me nice.
Raga, when you come back to Portsmouth?
Portsmouth? You know, some of that Portsmouth all the while, but, you know, I hold on link, you know.
Oh. Raga, anyway, me have a look at Mixup.
Well, you know Indian, Kenneth? Then call him Suki too. You know Indian, Kenneth? Them call him Suki too.
Yeah, man.
You know, I'm a link, man.
Are you link?
I'm a straight junk for that, man. I'm a dog that, man. See?
But Raga, somebody for Mixup over here and you have to come see it.
But you see, I hit him now, give me the 100. All right.
I link with the wrong somebody, Raga.
All right, you can't tell me your name, or you don't want to say your name over the radio.
No, Raga, I don't want to say my name.
Don't say your name, don't say your name. All right, just left your number with Ruth, and when we forward, we get the mix up them and thing, because there's some things staying. I'm do my homework, I'm do my research. So I'm job over there to give me the good mix up them here.
But most, I mean, I'm at one staying, but me call back tomorrow.
All right, now say a word. We make Ruthie call it tomorrow, here.
All right, then, Raga.
Okay.